You have refused to give me my clothes.
Yeah?
For that reason, both of you shall be plagued.
Madam, I beg. Just calm down, calm down. Get with the... What is my poor person for eye? What is my porous for eye? What is the pause?
I don't know now. Not behind the put.
You see the pepper? God, I beg. Oh, this kind of Wahala. You check up with me for instance.
No, they go to shrine first. No, no, what says them will talk.
Which shrine? You and who they go with shrine?
Shrine. Now this is what they do, me. This is now what normal man be fit so. Now only tibia will fit so bad.
Eche.
Me will go.
Eche, as small as you are full of surprises. Eche, so you know Dibia. Eche, nothing no bad way you don't know for this world.
Why no Dibia?
Eche,
no Dibia.
So you dey go Dibia. So if to say this woman wey pass us now, here say you dey go Dibia now. Now so she go don't look us say we bad people.
Okay, go. Ara dinudi. Ara dinudi. Ara dinudi.
But I bet this part where you rub. When them say a person weapon picking now you enter inside house go thief. Respect yourself now. Vigilante there for junction. Me no go arrest you. I don't tell you. No, we not get money to give you. I beg you. You pass through a lot. You pass through a lot. We can see you.
No, they see your back.
I beg. What I tell you?
Both of you can see me.
When they worry, see, I tell you, all these smart people, respect yourself. We can see you and so. Now, Papa.
Involve me.
Involve me for where?
Involve me.
For what?
Involve me in the shrine.
You see, I don't tell you. No, they shake me. I tell you, say this thing, this is what you call now. I don't like them. But they involve you as well. I come and see you.
Since the day I died, I have been lonely, roaming around the earth with no purpose.
Wait first. Wait. Not true. Like you die. Like the die.
3 years ago.
You don't die.
3 years ago. Now you remember me.
Please let me go. Please let me go. Please let me go. Let me go, Asoka. Please let me go.
I've always told you to keep your nostrils out of my affairs. But no, you chose to play the heroine. Now see where you've ended up. This is your reward. In your next life, you will understand the true meaning of power and stay far away from it.
Please let me go. Please let me go. You got to get your car. Please let me go. Let me go. Please let me go. You got to get your car. You will never leave me. I just this. You will not enter. Let me go.
Light the stick. Fast.
Cook more than you. The only thing
But you know that me
the only thing is I forget something. I forget that they make me bother food. But I cook food party. You know nothing they cook.
They cook food past
Yes,
me.
you should make. Yeah, you would cook party.
They cook food past me.
Yes, of course.
May they cook manu and salt. They cook food past me. They play. You're warning yourself.
Respect yourself. I know they like this kind of thing. As we come this house now, more we achieve something with our life. More we all respect ourselves.
Security.
That means not be royalty share will sit down since now. Servant people own.
Yes. We'll be there.
Yes,
sit down. Let's go.
Come on, I know they like them.
No, leave me. Come on, now. Come on now.
Akpagari na-ege Sanja. Akpagari na-eje Lagos. You don't push me.
Come on now.
Jesus! Wait. Eche, come. Eche, wait, stop now. Who the be Eche? Eche, stop.
No, they tag me now.
Go back to sleep. Jesus. Because now we'll go back to this palace. I know they like this guy. I they get phobia issue for fear. I don't know.
Maybe you be really ghost we see now.
And you be talk this ghost matter. You say if you die, you come fight me.
Maybe no be ghost we see. Maybe na just carry we carry see.
Oh, they carry see.
Yes.
You carry see yourself here. They come. Just carry see.
When you dey go now, try to involve me now. They involve me now, man know what they saw. You see another one who I no see.
Carry see yourself.
Now like that's the fellow they measure, abi?
I bet man, keep your mouth shut too. So only gonna back.
Come on, yeah. You go start from here and measure something. You go.
What happened?
You want strangle me?
Which one say I want strangle?
You want strangle me?
I know not be measurement that they take. I bet stay where
Stay
I take measurement.
this thing.
Stay one place, make I measure you. Stay one place, make I measure you.
Give me that.
Come here, make I measure you. Until you see this key. When I see this key, where are they? No, wait. I go raise you up.
Hey!
Don't say disgrace yourself. Say as you disgrace yourself.
Madam Taylor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What do you want?
I want so clothes.
You want so clothes?
Yes.
You want so clothes? Give me the clothes, make I see. Respect yourself, stay one place. Don't respect yourself, stay one place. Madam, what time the aqua? Bring the clothes.
Attend to me now.
I attend to you now. I expect you to attend to you.
Leave her, come attend to me now.
I bet madam, leave this girl. She dey get amnesia something. Get problem where she dey get. If you release her now, go bite you.
See the clothes I want to first. So when you know whether you go fit one.
Come on, here.
But just simple style.
You dey see the clothes. You dey see the clothes.
Come on, don't break my phone.
You dey see the clothes when you know whether you go fit one first.
You see am na I go show now. No be be.
Madam, leave her. Na me be the madam, but na my apprentice be this.
I go bite your hand.
I beg screen call so.
Madam, go fit one.
See am, you see am. But
you
you never see am now.
Madam, you said bless you carry.
Na the guy you dey show, you see am.
Madam, carry.
Leave the guy, see am.
Madam, carry.
Oh good.
Madam, we go fit one. And that clothes na the material be this.
Na the material you go do okay.
I no go fit use this one. I go buy my own material. Who will dey sew am for na you?
No. Na my mama clothes.
Your mama? Why you no carry come home measure am?
My mama burial now.
Your mama burial?
One use for the burial.
Your mama don die?
Yes, she don die.
See trouble. We never sew cloth. I beg this my shop now for the living, not be for the dead. I never sew cloth for the living finish now for the dead. Avoid me, madam.
I don't understand. No be tell her you be. You can sew for anybody now. Leave the girl and attend to me now. This is a serious matter.
Madam, I tell you, we know they sew for the dead. In short, if you go sew this clothes, na 40,000.
Eh?
Na 40,000.
Now one person they sew for.
Eh?
Now one person they sew for.
And so?
People go get
40,000 naira.
One person 40,000 naira.
Yes, na 40,000 will fit so if you know
leave this girl, then we'll talk now.
Madam, I dey hear you. I say na 40,000 naira.
Madam, na 40,000. Leave us now. No, do something.
But I be like
now.
person go afford 40,000 naira. It took us now.
For burial tomorrow. In short, that's true. She said the person don't die.
I said I'll collect
I said 20,000. That's 60,000, madam.
Eh?
That's 60,000.
You don't say that imagination work we dey do. We no go measure the
Yes,
person.
we no go for grave. I think it's for autopsy. Autopsy.
Leave English.
Auto.
Leave it.
Autopsy.
Yeah, no wahala. Because I need a budget, no wahala. I be ma pay the 40,000 naira.
The opportunity for 40 don't go.
Don't go. See, now because the bed don't reach, and I need a more gent. Make I pay 40k.
No.
I don't get for a beg now.
Why is this man the long distance now?
Go. Give us
give us space.
And balance. Advance. From the 50k, now you go buy the material where you say you go buy. Yes, so give us. Okay,
advance. Go buy this one.
I no go use this one, but leave this one in case of incasity. Give us advance. I beg God, write account come out. No big account. Don't worry, man, go bring money come. You want bring cash? I hope they no go disappoint me. No go disappoint if you bring cash. We'll finish up. Which one 40k, 50k? The money too much now. What's really hard? Which? Wait. I go mention you. Wait. He say you. I go saw you today. You don't respect me. Just watch as I take pardon your nash. The way I go take put you up here. The way I go take pardon your nash. Put your nash where make a pardon. Put your nash where make a pardon your nash. Shabina, every day you go to respect me. Yeah, you know mate. Put your nash man so am. If I don't show your nash, the man.
Yes, my face. I think I have some rash on my face. Can you see them?
I can't see a thing. You shouldn't be looking in the mirror at night. It's bad, man.
That's a superstition. You right?
Let's go to bed.
Come on, flog them! Infidels! Bunch of idiots! I have no need of any of you! You have turned my palace to a circus ground! Flog them! Bunch of baboons! Flog them! This one!
It's okay!
Come on, down!
What happened, Father? I heard the maiden screaming.
They are morons. They are idiots. I had a massive attack of bees and mosquitoes last night. How did such insects find their way to my chambers, if not for lack of hygiene displayed by the maidens in this palace? They did not flit the palace the whole of last night before I went to bed. They know nothing about housekeeping. But they know so much about gossip here and there, here and there. If there's a repeat of such infestation in this palace, I will demand their head on a platter. What is their job here?
Eche! Eche! Come.
These people serve their problem plenty. Waiting be their problem, oh, I don't understand. Everything you see, now my hand rock be that. If you don't like my work, you
Talent they cry. How many? What is the measurement for the? How many you say you measure the waist? 49. Why you do? You don't know say person we don't die know they chop food. You don't reduce. I can't do on 24. Yeah, be 22. 24.5.
But now, what thing they give us is supposed to work with you.
Come on for there. You know they hear what I talk. Say who don't die know they chop food. Then they lose weight.
Now you know. Now you know.
I beg contest now.
Ah no. What's the worry you now?
Your president, I'm not saying your beef
and now. Easy now. Give me the sister now. Hey.
You stay one place when they wear you the clothes.
What is this? Calm down. Calm down. I wear myself.
Ah! Still they cry. Just see. Drop your hand, myself. Ah, say you'll be like bag of friends. Right. Is it okay? Don't come carry me go give those boundary people. Make them boundary. Yeah? Let the guy say me you do one zoom once. So nobody always go do and go come money. May only do one zoom. You hear now?
Hey, easy now. Easy now.
I want come out now. You concentrate. Stay one place. Make person come out the clothes for your body.
Hey. No, my body be so. That's too rough. That's too rough. The person will burn you. Eh? I swear, the day when they burn you, I know say you go injure person.
Try and burn you. Please.
I'm going to burn you. Right now. I'm going to burn you.
tell you something. Do you know that this prince's wife is not an ordinary person?
What do you mean?
She has been acting strange all this while. Do you know that I saw her walking towards the backyard and I followed her. When I got there, I couldn't even see her.
No, they tell me that. You know, say if you drink that thing where the drink finish, you go to affect your brain. No, they even know what you do again. Even they show for your face now, safe.
So you're not saying that my brain is already knocked before Uncle?
No, say any person where the man not always believe saying they're mad. So your own will be the first person.
I'm not a madman. That's what you mean. That's what you mean.
See, make I tell you, no can't drag me proof for this problem. Let me focus for my job.
I'm telling you what I saw with my eyes. You are telling me I'm not.
Where are you? Amadi! Come. It has happened. Amadi, oh man, it has happened. What is that? Amadi, it has happened. It has happened, Amadi. Listen, let me tell you. As I'm talking to you right now, you are looking at me. Work is already going on your land.
Igwazuka! It shall never be well with you. It shall never be well with you.
Listen, it shall be well with Igwe. It shall be well with Igwe because you are not doing anything as a man. Look at you. Is this what you are saying? Igwazuka. And you are just proud as a man. No, Amadi. This is not what you should be saying. Listen, let me tell you if you don't know what to do. Listen. You have to go straight to the palace. Straight to the palace. Any guard you see, one hand, boom. Anyone you see, boom. You move straight and meet Igwe. They look at Igwe, eyeball to eyeball. Igwazuka! Confront him. Look at him very well. If possible, use your two hands. Guyananya. Boom! Igwe will look at you and say, give me back my land. Give me back my land. Igwe Gakoja.
The lion thinks he has his sharpest teeth until he bites the shell of the tortoise. I will show Igwazuka that I am Amadi. Let me enter house and bring my knife.
I will scatter Igwe today. Enter inside. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Bring it. Anything you want to bring, carry them and come. I'm with you.
Igwazuka! Where is Igwazuka? Come outside, I'm ready for fight! Come! To hell with you and Igwe! Where is Igwe? Come on, come back! Come! Give me way now! Get out of my way! Get out of my way!
Who is that mad dog attempting to enter the palace?
Come on!
Let him come.
Get out! Igwazuka, you are not fit to rule this kingdom. You are a bully. Me, Amadi, and my people rejected you as our king. You are not our king.
Your rejection has no weight. You are only but a peasant fly. And any of you that try to stand on my way, I will crush you guys. I will crush you. Bring him down.
Straight to this community. Right, straight to this community. Straight to this community.
Ngozi, let me tell you. You can't continue like this. There is no how your tears will bring back a dead person. No. And moreover, do not allow the pains and tribulation to weigh you down.
Okay, Uncle. How did the meeting go?
Good. Went well. As a matter of fact, we have concluded that your mother must wear the agbada on her burial day. So, my own duty now is to show you the sample of the agbada so that you will not make any mistake.
Okay, Uncle. Uncle, thank you so much. Thank you for everything you've been doing for me. God will bless you.
And you too. But one thing you do for me, stop crying. I hope you will. Then I will return in the evening to check on you.
Okay.
It's alright. I'm going to see some of our kinsmen. Alright?
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
Alright, Uncle.
Ngozi.
The Uncle.
The woman.
How are you?
I'm fine, Uncle.
I want to really confirm about the agbada. So how is the agbada? And you know, your mother needs to be dressed this evening as against tomorrow morning.
Yes, I think it should be ready by now. I paid for express. Do you know how much they collected? 40,000 naira.
Just for that?
Yes, so.
But you will collect it today?
Of course, I'll still go there. Oh, I'll just go inside, eat, then I'll go there.
Once you get it, make sure you come straight to my house.
Okay, Uncle.
I need to see that agbada before everything. Okay?
Okay.
It's alright.
I will. And I'll bring it to your house.
No problem. Let me, as I was coming, I met you sleeping. Let me leave you so that you can rest. Eh?
Okay.
It's not really easy. Eh?
Okay, it's not easy. Well, I'll just go and eat then go there.
It's alright.
I need to resting again.
I'll be waiting for you at home.
Okay.
As soon as you get it.
Okay, Uncle.
How are you?
We are fine. As you can see, we are doing fine. Yes.
Obina.
Papa?
What is wrong with you?
Wrong with me? How?
Why are you just laughing at me just like that?
Oh! Papa, I'm okay, I'm okay. Is your daughter in Amarachi?
No, I don't think so. She just stepped out a while ago.
I thought as much. Exactly. Your daughter stepped out moments ago, right?
Yes.
Because I saw somebody that looks like her, you know, with that useless, that agafu. A boy that does not have future, close to the tree, along the road. Yes! They were just holding each other like this. And then, I was saying, no, let me look where. We meet me papa clean my eyes where to see. Behold, Amarachi.
With who?
With, Papa, are you the one asking? Who does not know Tochi in this village? The humanizer. A boy that shares pregnancy to all the girls in this village. Yeah, no, you don't want wine. Like you will just destroy the waist of your daughter. Oh, Amarachi, by this time the waist is gone. Papa, you have
Obina,
to do...
what is wrong with you? there is nothing evil that will happen in my family. May the gods forbid. May the gods forbid.
What will the gods forbid here, Papa? It is happening. What is the gods forbid here? They shouldn't forbid anything. It's happening. See, Papa, what you need to do now is that you need to hold your daughter very well. Oh. Makechi, Papa. Because it's not as if I'm here to gossip. Obina. I'm just trying to help.
Obina,
Papa,
you can go.
You say?
Get up and go.
It's all right. Papa will leave. But I just want to let you know that your daughter Marachi, Anebe Yakoko. Boo.
Obina, leave this place.
Udo, I will leave.
Go.
Papa.
Go. When my daughter comes back, she will tell me everything. She will tell me the truth.
Madam, I don't tell you, calm down, she will soon come. Abeg, where did she go with the clothes? She go and bundle the clothes. Where you dey calm down, madam? People like who they get hot temper. No, this one too much now. And this thing will make you never marry by this your age. Here, they calm down. I hear say you never see us before.
You came at the right time.
I hear she don't hear since they talk. I don't see if you sister. I don't wear tire now. Hey, madam, if you see this clothes, you go book dash us money. You go use your church mind dash us money because we really try. For person we don't die. I don't understand. Is this my clothes? No, not be your clothes. Now your mama we don't die clothes. May you follow. My mama clothes now. Tell us that my mama we don't.
No, it's just because she not expect them.
So you sew this kind of clothes for them.
It is even my material. But this is not the sample I gave you now.
Hey, your own don't make sense. You can't make our own.
Yes, we sew the one we find. Latest style.
Open the top. Where you see something? No, you see something. Open it.
I don't understand.
I like it.
It's shocking. It's shocking, Abby.
What's your mind is to enter every gate?
What is the right up for?
Short pass.
Short pass.
What is the right up for?
The right up now say gate pass to heaven. As God see him, God no go judge him. I tell you, say if you write RIP, rest in peace, you write God, I beg no judge him.
Trade
finish.
Madam, now you God go judge.
Jesus.
I ask you to sew agbada for me. Wait till concern agbada concern skirt and blouse.
Which I'm sure I think concern agbada concern skirt and blouse. You don't see who don't die when they show agbada for. We'll give your mama latest style even when your mama don't pay. Now you don't hear they talk anyhow.
Your mama don't die, Abby.
Yes.
So if she wear this clothes inside that grave, she go the model her. Even if she naked herself, she don't go because she don't go. Make she go her judgment.
I'm very stupid for that statement.
But your mama never die.
You want use the clothes go seduce angels?
I'm just tired.
What concern you, madam?
What you make? See, you get with the right rest in peace for like this.
Oh goodness, amazing.
We give you better modeling style. You don't hear the talk.
What you concern design?
No, my machine you won't break. Reset yourself.
My dear, I go scatter my machine now. I ask for agbada for me. Why you want to touch cut and blast?
They don't go you scatter that machine. No, I must.
See, not try me, oh. Not try me. Because if you try me now, you go see the other side of me. I ask to sew agbada for me. You just cut and blast.
Now make you never marry. This your hot temper. You dey get temper issue. Now make no man fit marry you. No man fit marry you. You see, say we don't know say you don't reach 40 years. When we go baptism class when they pursue us, we see your baptism card. 40 years, 1940 something.
Yes, man.
See, I beg, whether I dey 50 years or I dey 100 years, it no concern me. And nothing concern your latest design. I ask you to sew agbada for me. You go and sew another thing. Madam, this clothes, I beg, I give you both of you 3 hours. 3 hours to sew this clothes. The funeral na tomorrow. I no more come back and come here nonsense. Whether I don't order, whether I poor or I rich, you know concern me.
That means because we don't already use your material, we don't use the money buy material, so we don't get any money to use again. So it don't be for you.
Madam
don't die. So for grace.
Madam Taylor, you no concern me.
If I come back,
in 3 hours time, you know so you go see the other side of me. Let me go and come back. Not for this clothes. Not for this clothes. Not for the clothes.
You see trend.
Don't try me, oh.
Try to get expensive.
You're too small, but this one be sure you dey do. This one be sure you dey do.
Try to calm down now.
Eche, you know say you follow cause our confusion now.
What be the confusion?
Eche.
What I cause?
No be white, I say me you stay write the rest RIP.
Yes, nah. As I can't go there, I can't say white no work because this material na white already. If you add white material, it go make angels they struggle to see what's in there, right? So I be able to tell them make they use red.
Red?
Yes, but they not to get red. So I can't tell them make they use black. They need shouty color, make if you match the white. No worry.
Now you use black.
Yes, nah. You say red for spiritual things, then black danger. So two of them match. No worry. This tailor thing, stylish thing. Now from blood though. I was born with it. Me know to say. Me I understand though. The stylish day. I should not agree with now. Me will put her for dummy. Me will sell her. Another person go buy her. People they die every day, so we need to sell them out.
What? Did they really understand the gravity of the error they have committed? I mean, Ngozi, did you really show them the sample that I gave to you?
Okay, I did, Joe. I showed them everything. They're just being stupid. And if I go back to that shop and they've not finished the clothes, I'll stop dealing with them.
This is madness. Real madness. Because we are talking about tomorrow. Echinka. The burial is tomorrow. Up till now, the Agbada is not yet ready.
Uncle, just calm down. I gave them 3 hours. 2 hours remaining. If I go back to that shop and they've not finished it, they better not fall into temptation, no. They better not do. Oh.
You said 2 hours?
Yes.
In that case, I'll be going with you. I'm at home waiting for you. Once you are ready, please meet me at home.
Okay, Uncle. Okay.
This is madness. What kind of...
Amarachi, where are you coming from?
Papa?
I'm asking you a question. Where are you coming from? You are saying Papa? Huh? I was told that you were with that stupid boy, Tochi.
How? Me? Papa, no.
What do you mean by no? Huh? Then where did you go to?
I was with my girlfriend throughout the day. I wasn't with any man.
Anyway, let me just believe you by your words. But I know that time will tell. Time will tell.
Papa, since when did you start listening to gossip?
Like I said, time will tell.
Ngozika, are you sure the shop you took me to is there?
So that is their shop, oh.
Why is that place locked?
Those witches abandon their job and lock their shop.
Hey. Ngozika, what do we do?
I don't know. Okay, at this point I'm confused.
The truth is, your mother must be buried with that Agbada. And without the Agbada, Umunna will not perform any burial rites. Therefore, the only solution is to postpone the burial. That is all.
Uncle, no! Postpone quoi? Oh my God. My mind is not going to be happy. Postpone the burial. Uncle! Uncle, please! Uncle, wait now!
You have locked up an innocent man for fighting for his own right. Why? Why will you do something like this to him? Don't you ever get tired?
Is it a kind of joke or what?
Joke? No. I am serious here. What has he done wrong to deserve that treatment? Iguazoka, why would you do that?
You shut that gutter you call mouth before I glue it for life. You're lucky you're my daughter-in-law. You would have been in a more complicated situation than that fool. Anyone who challenges the throne is guilty of treason, and that is his offense. And if you have any other thing to say, I advise you swallow it. Now, out of my presence!
She go wait there.
She know. They talk. Then I will go sweet. I probably tell her where so the clothes.
You try to talk to any clothes go so for better. You don't go work.
You see me by not me. Trouble some people. I feel that what I do. Maybe the woman like trouble. Before I die.
And she never nothing like that. No new pattern be that one. Let alone say now we invent that pattern. Nobody do ever.
Who don't so for that person that kind of
right RIP. Hey.
After that one.
Well, very recent man.
The man you go better start.
Oh, that is for trend for internet too. You say the reason. People come to call us.
I know this internet people will say they not belong for A, they not belong for B. You say they will support this one. No, it's support. And she post her now. They could support her. Before you know they don't do their own, they'll copy the style.
You have the guts to collect huge amount of money from my daughter. Yet you refuse to show exactly what she told you. You gave her what she ordered versus what she got. Today, both of you shall feel my wrath.
Hey! Jesus!
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings to you, Amadi. I just noticed a royal barricade placed on your land. I thought you declined selling that piece of land to my father. What changed?
My prince, I never sold the land to the king. He only forcefully collect the land from me and warn me not to step my foot on the land again.
What?
The only survival means that my family left for me has gone.
No. This is unfair. Amadi, I apologize on behalf of the royal home. And I assure you right now that I will speak to my father about this and he will debunk his claim to that piece of land.
Thank you, my prince. If you can do this, I will be very, very grateful and God will bless you.
It's okay. It's your property. It is your right. You have nothing to worry about. I assure you. I will get back to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
The hope and the future of Azura.
I am not happy, Father. There is something I need you to do for me.
Please speak, and it shall be done.
Amadi's land, Father. You took it away from him forcefully. Please, I need you to return it to him.
Son, you must be mindful of the wish you make. As you may wish for the wrath of the gods upon your head.
For the sake of the gods, Father, are you not supposed to be protecting and preserving your subjects rather than subjecting them to nothing?
Teach me. Oh, son. Teach me, you are now the Alpha. To tell me on how to preserve and to protect my people, you fool! Weak baboon. Every land in this Azura kingdom belongs to the throne. And I can take any land, whenever and wherever. Know this and know peace.
Do you even care about the condition of your subjects? The people you call your subjects, Father?
I don't care. I am the king. They are bound to worship at my feet.
Kings are not gods. And you of all people should know that.
Speak no further! Nonsense.
Wait. Norma. My love.
Babe. I heard your voice from downstairs. Is everything okay?
Not really. But I didn't see you when I got here. Where were you?
I'm sorry I made you feel that way. But I was in the restroom when you came.
I didn't even make a sound.
Of course I did. You were obviously lost in your thought. That's why you didn't hear me. Is everything alright? Is it your father again?
That man is so heartless. I don't even understand how he does the things he does without even thinking. Or even putting himself in the shoes of the people. That man is supposed to be a comforter to his people and not an oppressor. I'm so tired of all this.
That's what makes you different from your father, my love. And that's why I love you. Your people will enjoy you as a king.
Come here, my love. That's why I love you so much. You always have a way to comfort me. I love you.
I tried to talk to him, but he got furious. Warned me to never repeat such again.
You know what? Honestly, I am sick and tired of all this. What is wrong with that man? Listen, I cannot sit here and watch him ruin an innocent man's life. That cannot happen.
Where are you going?
I am going down there to let that innocent man free. I'm going to set him free. And please, do not try to stop me. Are you okay, Mr. Madi?
I'm fine. Fine, my friend.
I really apologize for this. On behalf of the royal home, please forgive us. Sorry.
I'm nobody for the king. A poor orphan, robbed by his inheritance. Look at me, my friends. Look at me.
I am really sorry. I wish there is something else I could do to help.
I understand you, my prince. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
God.
Yes, my prince.
Escort him home.
Thank you, my prince.
Stop there. Who released this criminal from the cell? I did, Father. And he is no criminal.
You went against my command? Who do you think you are?
The future of Azura, Father. This man has done nothing to deserve what he's going through here. You cannot punish him like this, Father. What has he done? What is his crime? Absolutely nothing. Father, this is unfair. It's unfair, and you of all people know that. Father, I released this man because I believe he has done nothing to deserve being locked up here. You've taken his birthright away from him. What else do you want from a man that literally has nothing else to offer? Father, this is unfair. This isn't right. Take him home. Make sure he gets home safe.
Thank you, my prince.
Madam, wait, I beg, abuse God beg you. Spare my life, take her.
Who be take who? You dey mad? You dey mad? Who be take who?
Who the challenge? Who shall say they mad? Madam, take him. Now you take your measurement. Now you take your measurement, madam.
Man, na she be the head tailor. Na she dey supervise everything wey dey happen. Why you not supervise the clothes?
So me, because I be head tailor, may I die? Abi? Because I be head tailor. Madam, take her. Oh, her future not bright, her future dark. Carry her.
Okay, now my own future dark. Madam, I beg, you know say two of them na age mate. Still dark.
Take who? Take. Wait. What be this now? Which can't he come with this? Who be this woman? What will she say would do? What's in now? I bet you don't go commit. I don't know.
No, they conclude like that now. This woman, na the ghost, the original ghost.
Original ghost.
The woman, the girl where we sell clothes for, we say na burial clothes. Now this person be the ghost, so the one go bury.
Hey, listen, Nama! Hey! Now the woman who the one bury. Now me stand there, body with the see. Me and you don't they say what you go do?
Nah, maybe we'll go beg the girl, but we will beg her because I'm not sure saying that she called this ghost.
Beg who?
No, not the one who don't offend people. They will call their power.
Who will go beg? I want to see the girl who will beg her.
We go see her. Why you dey ask me no sense question? Nah, calm down.
But see the two person when they ask you question, you no go fear answer.
Why you go dey ask me no sense question?
I better rest in.
Like say you don't know the person where we so.
When you say we'll go find the girl.
Wait, you don't know where you want pass?
Let's be the window of that one.
You don't know where you want pass?
I want stand up at the home. I said myself up. They push me, they come out. But when I fall just now, my body now you fall on top.
That one a mistake.
That one a mistake. This one too a mistake. No, they try me again. I don't want you. I don't. My hand. Look, just.
I did hear something. Let's see that. Did you hear? You know they hear him. I did hear noise now. I did hear person voice. Let's see the voice. It be like not person's voice with that.
Only you dey hear. Now you know what you dey hear, madam. I know they hear anything. I better leave me.
You try me saying I mean know what I dey hear. Shall not get ear again. You know they hear this sound.
Okay, come. This side, which side the sound they come from like this now?
Nice side palace I dey hear the thing. Oh yeah, come go check. Go check now. I'm gonna confirm and say they hear something.
Yeah,
go check. Go there.
Go check. If you come back, you tell me.
Why una two dey fear princess like this? Wait here.
You know they fear am. Go check now. They go check. Papa, they tell us wetin.
I was sorry, yes.
Go check to see this one. I won't go check.
You? Sister. I bet no verse. No verse.
Please help us.
Help us. You see that your mama with the me. I bet go meet her. Go a grave, shout her, mama. Forgive. Now die, you no kill, no be God. Which kind talk come be that one? I bet I will come. Eh? We come back.
You go any strategy where you go is enter the soul. Now you know the reason. I bet where.
Sister, I beg. Hold on. Are you okay? Then postpone my mother's burial because of your incompetence. And they here doing nonsense, asking for forgiveness. We don't ask for forgiveness. They text me, tell your mama, say me, if we know they come to us again.
Let me tell you, I'm asking for forgiveness. 1 Timothy chapter maybe 3. If you read it down, it says we should forgive our neighbor.
Eche, why you can't quote Bible verse? Now church we come.
Me now, I want to relate it to God.
You know correct. Now Isaiah 45 verse 8. And they talk about forgiveness.
Yes, sorry ma. Sorry. Is Isaiah 45 by verse 8. By 8.
Yeah,
if you read it down, forgive your neighbor.
Another.
If God can actually forgive us, who are we man being not to
dust
forgive
like you.
Our neighbors?
I don't tire. Your mama don't be the true dust. Now you don't want to see forgive. You where you are close to the dust. Because Jenny should see her see the grave. Are you here to preach Bible?
No, yes.
Yeah? I gave you sample, right? Yeah? Go to your shop. Do it exactly the way I told you to do it. Simple. And that means another negotiation now. That means you go to shit another money. Yes. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you sick in the head? Sick in the head. So you want me to pay on top of your own mistake? Which one? Top of your own mistake? I don't know what I made the mistake. Which one? She asked me because I asked her back. You didn't hear the talk. Madam, no, you just say now water they put for generator, water they work. I bet I go market, go smile with them, they go give me material. I may be the head of this tailoring shop, so I know it's they pass through. If you don't give me money, no money you close. Madam, we'll come beg.
So why you shout for her?
I don't shout for her, they beg her.
Madam, as you don't be like this, please, you can abandon her. Listen to me. Forgive me my sins, for I will not sin again. Please.
Eche, that's so you be. May you come here, say make you forget me. Say you may forgive you your sin.
Because you know they get to say you are arguing with somebody you have to ask for forgiveness. Please go and sit down place. Please ma, look at me. Look upon my heart. I am melted. Forgive me, please.
Eche, you will get stone heart, they melted. Eche, why you can't turn like this? You will wicked. Then they make for forgiveness. Hey, my dear, if you like, make sure they met. Or make yourself they met. Eh? You no concern me. Go your shop, go sew that clothes. Hey, you like Camilla. See, I know they see, excuse me. Now my sister and me and they talk. No be this one we do they talk in here. We come back. You tell your mama you know they appear to us again. I beg come. I beg no they go. Come on, they go. See, you never see anything though. This is just the beginning. You never see anything. You will see worse than this if you don't sew that clothes. Yes, ma'am.
Looking for me?
No, yes. No, ma'am.
Learn to mind your business.
Yes, my princess. I thought I heard you crying. I'm sorry, my princess. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please, not now. Please, I really need to sleep. Please.
What is wrong? I'm hard. Eh? Allow me to eat this thing. Allow me to chop you. You are my wife. Allow me to enjoy all this, Bikonu. Huh?
Oh.
You have refused to give me my clothes. Eh? For that reason, both of you shall be plagued.
Madam, I beg.
Just calm down, calm down. Get with the... What is my poor person for eye? What is my porous for eye? What is the pause?
I don't know now. Not behind the foot.
You see the pepper? God, I beg. Oh, this kind of Wahala. You check up with me for instance.
No, they go to shrine first. No, no, what says them will talk.
Which shrine? You and who they go with shrine?
Shrine. Now this is what they do, man. This is now what normal man be fit solve. Now only Tibia will fit solve.
Eche.
No go.
Eche. As small as you are full of surprises. Eche, so you know Dibia. Eche, nothing no bad way you don't know for this world.
Why no Dibia?
Eche.
No Dibia.
So you dey go Dibia. So if to say this woman wey pass us now, here say you dey go Dibia now. Now so she go don't look us say we bad people.
Agiriga. Ara dinudi. Ara dinudi. Ara dinudi.
But I bet this part where you rub. When you see a person wey pump pikin, now you enter inside house go thief. Respect yourself now. Vigilante dey for junction. Me no go arrest you. I don't tell you. No, we not get money to give you. I beg you. You pass through a lot. You pass through a lot. We can see you.
No, they see your back.
I beg. What I tell you?
Both of you can see me.
When they worry, see, I tell you, all these smart people, respect yourself. We can see you, and so here, Papa.
Involve me.
Involve me for where?
Involve me.
For what?
Involve me in the shrine.
You see, I don't tell you, know they shake me. I tell you, say this thing, this is what you call now. I don't like them. But they involve you as well. I come and see you back.
Since the day I died, I have been lonely, roaming around the earth with no purpose.
Wait first. Wait. Not true. Like you die. Like the die.
3 years ago.
You don't die.
3 years ago. Now you remember me.
Oh, stop, please. Stop.
Norma, allow me to make love to you. Please. I'm your husband. I'm legally married to you, Norma.
Of course I know you are my husband.
So what's stopping you from allowing me to make love to you? Please let me perform my duties.
This is not the time. I know you have every right to be angry, but I have my reasons.
What reasons? What reasons do you have? You keep acting strange each time I want to make love to you, my wife. I've never shared a kiss with you. My wife! This is absurd!
You will not understand. But in due time, you will. You will have everything you've craved for. But for now, let's maintain the distance.
When? When is the right time? And please do not tell me that I will not understand.
You will not understand.
There you go again. There you go again. Norma, I am running out of patience. I'm your husband. What is all this? I am so running out of patience. What is this? What is all this?
Amadi! Amadi! Who is that? Come here.
To what do I owe this visit?
We have a message for you.
What message? Eh?
Greetings, Your Highness.
Has my message been delivered?
Successful, Igwe.
I have a gift for you and the boys.
Thank you very much. Thank you, my Highness. Thank you very much.
Amadi! Hey! Amadi! Hey! 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 People of Azure! Hey! Amadi! No. No. This is not true. No. Amadi! True.
You are cursed by the soul of death. A curse so powerful that will live with you for eternity.
He go live with you for eternity. Not be we go live. God forbid. Back to sender. Okay, I beg another thing talk. I beg change topic. Not be that one at talk.
Except you want to hear a lie. And the only solution is for you to appease the woman. Else, she will continue to haunt you. Or your total departure from this land. If not, she will continue to haunt you.
Area, so where on one can go now?
You said they agree to go. But the time say we go total departure. You said one depart. You never know that the time now. You as you don't call you now, you tell you depart. You
know, calm down. That's why they two talk, no they get anything.
Who you the turtle? Me now the turtle. Okay, I bet you feature that. You get into when you feature that to like sacrifice something if you use.
Please, listen to me.
Eh?
Bro, listen to me.
Who be your bro?
Hold on. Sir, please listen to me. If we want to depart, where do we depart?
May she depart alone. Me no go follow.
Okay, I will depart alone, please.
The both of you need to calm down and listen to me. The decision will come from the both of you.
Bro, this one not agree now. This one not agree now. Don't
talk to me anyhow. Don't try to rubbish.
I want to tell you what to do.
This one I did. This one we are sacrifice.
Keep quiet, my daughter. Keep quiet. I am telling you what to do.
This one no agree. Please, can you do it so that only me will decide?
Okay, I feel depart from this earth. She be not to die.
So long your feet is still on the soil, she will continue to haunt you.
Okay. What do you mean? We say so long our feet dey this soil, you go to hurt us. Raise your leg.
Now you understand.
I want to walk again.
That is not what I mean. You need to leave this land. Oh,
sir,
you
please,
appease this woman.
Let's switch topic. Help me and heal my sister.
Heal for me.
You this girl, she know they get herself. This one you are seeing here, she does not think like human being. Help me and heal.
I wish the both of you understand what you are in for.
Who is the
both of you should stop that. If you don't do it, give your number to tortoise. Leave that shrine. Go to my shrine and turn to tortoise. Oh, cuckoo! Out of this! Go out of my shrine. You don't fight here.
Hold on, man.
Look at what they are doing.
I brought myself.
Oh, cuckoo! Come on, About yourself. I got borrow me that thing with it. I got borrow me that your stuff.
Hi. Hi. Mbano, Tochi. Amadi is gone. They killed Amadi. First, it was Igwe. Igwe forcefully collected his land. And then the young man decided to go and meet Igwe. Igwe, please give me my land. What Igwe did was, oh yeah, lock him up. And after releasing him, this is it. Amadi is dead. Hi! Tochi, this is the work of Igwe. Yabaka Igwe.
This community has suffered chaos in the hands of one single man, the king of this kingdom. Igwe Azuka. But you see this one hits harder. Because Amadi was nothing but a man of peace. He did not deserve to die.
No.
Enough is enough. Amadi's death will not be in vain.
Amadi.
Igwe Azuka. Today you will answer for your crimes. We will summon the youths of Azura Kingdom.
Okay?
We shall march to the palace.
Exactly.
Today it is justice for the people of Azura and justice for Amadi. Igwe Azuka. Today you will understand that the strength and power of the lion is nothing compared to the sheer might of a colony of ants. Let us go.
There's a riot going on at the gate, Father. What's that about?
You have no need for worry. Leave the fools. When they are tired, they'll go to their respective homes.
Is that all you have to say, Father? What have you done this time?
Mind your tongue, else you commit treason.
My prince, greetings.
Youths of Azura Kingdom, I greet you all. I heard your chanting from inside. I had to come out to know what the problem is.
My prince, allow me to speak. My prince, we want to see the equal. We want to see the equal! Enough is enough.
The king is resting. But I assure you that any message you have for him will get to him.
My prince, there is a saying in our land that a toad does not walk during the day for nothing. It is either something is pursuing it, or it is chasing something. Enough is enough. The Igwe has done the unthinkable. Amadi is dead. And the Igwe is responsible.
Amadi is dead?
Yes! He is not aware. The prince is not aware. He killed him this morning. He was butchered. My prince, Amadi was butchered in his house. Who did Amadi offend? Who did he offend? Nobody. The only person that Amadi had issues with was the Igwe. I have not taken his landed property. He has taken his life. For what? What did he do? Nothing. The Igwe has to answer for his crimes. Enough is enough. The Igwe has to answer for it. No, don't even start. Don't even start. Because I'm going to disfigure your face. Wait, you will discover it. Okay, Obina. If they burn you well, say it again. Let me unleash this anger on you now.
Tell me you have no hands in the death of Amadi.
Go now, look up to me. Look at me. That warning was for you. Anytime you disobey my order, you get more blood on your hands.
I promised that man his freedom. He did not ask for this. I did it all in my own accord, Father. I set him free. Why didn't you punish me? Why did you take it out on me? Why take an innocent life?
That message was actually meant for you. Anytime you disobey my orders, you get more blood on your hands.
Is that my father? Is that beast my father? What kind of a human being is this? Oh! Evil, father! So evil!
Hello? Hello, Efe? Can you hear me? We una two come dey now. We una dey now. You dey check them at all. Since morning waiting me say they come. No go here for night. If you go here for night, I no go open door for you. Nobody go open gate for you. No go here for night. Which kind of wahala be this one now? Since morning all of una two tell me say una dey come. I no dey see anybody. Which one be say una dey road? Una no dey ever reach. I take go beg una. Muna waka fast. I dey wait for una. Oh yeah, now.
I swear to God, if not for the fact that the prince has been a wonderful person in this village, and he actually spoke to us calmly and said that he will find out the truth and get justice for Amadi, Makachi, the youths of Azura Kingdom, would have turned that palace into pieces.
Oh, this is so terrible. How can a man be so wicked and cruel to his people? He has everything he wants at his crib. Why then does he want to derive pleasure in reaping from the poor?
Just imagine. That is the epitome of wickedness. But don't worry. That man's cup will soon full. And trust me, when it does, I will be at the forefront to make sure I remove the crown from that dead corpse of his.
Ikotochi, I don't want you to be in the forefront of this matter. We both know how wicked and abusive the king is with his power. I don't want you to be a target in his list.
God forbid. That cannot happen. No, he should not even consider it. The Igwe, Azuka or whatever they call him, it should not cross his mind. He shouldn't bother. I am not anybody else. So I'm not like every other person. I am Tochi, the son of Diko Ogo the hunter. If he tries it, I will let him know that it is not only royalty that makes someone have power. I will show him who I am. Please, I know you are strong and brave, but as they say,
prevention is better than cure.
There are two girls at the gate, and their names are Esha and the Fishbowl.
Oh, they're my friends. Are they here?
Yeah.
Is the king outside? Are you sure? Did you check very well?
Yes.
We are now. Let them in. Let's go.
Welcome. Hey! We just say we will follow you come. You understand? When you come, na vacation, I carry us come. Na vacation, I carry. She will talk. Do not say it, oh. Sister. Stand up now. Come on, out from my body. Which kind of talk come down?
Why you challenge her like that, Nana? You have.
Come sit down.
I no see.
Sit down. See better thing. Go big man house. You tap. You see rich. Stand up. Calm down. I better respect yourself. Now the enjoyment you go enjoy. Now someone can join you. Give us updates, my sister.
I no dey enjoy anything, no. Here what dey na work I dey work. I no dey enjoy anything.
Come on for them. I say they behave. Once they don't they progress, they don't want me to join them.
They go say money no dey, money no dey.
You
But
don't
you
come,
dey
my
leave.
sister.
You dey
You
leave.
don't put us on the obile. We won't follow you. They enjoy. I swear.
That one no go be problem. I go put una for the obile. But the thing wey dey there be say she una ready to work.
We no come work o.
Wetin you come do?
We come flex.
Vacation.
Vacation?
Yes.
As per say you na your papa house.
No, na we been dey work there. We come call
Big
you.
man house. What did they do? No be enjoyment.
Where
Enjoyment
you
time for
come?
big man.
Na work you go work. So the thing wey una two suppose ask una sef na be say which work I fit do.
Which work we fit do now? Well,
If you go, Shabuna, get all this in a maiden cloth. If you help on the sew on a cloth, because now that one be our specialty.
We know they find tailor. For this place, we know they find tailor.
una dey find inside work, inside house work.
Like
Well, anything concerning kitchen, leave am for me. I can cook, I can fry egg, I can fry meat, fish, I can wash plates, I can boil water, I can.
Shut up your mouth for them. Which kind of talk come be that one? Only. Which kind when you dey behave like this? I don't like this kind of attitude when they behave. Oh.
What's that?
When every time I tell you something, if I don't tell you something, you don't take the thing from me, go dey do am. No be every time I don't tell you, I don't dey get dream. Say I want own restaurant.
Your own na dream now. We're talking about reality, your reality show. What we talking about dream? How many times I don't tell you if I dey tell me no dey collect talk about that?
Respect yourself.
You go respect yourself.
Respect yourself. See now, something they make me.
No show ourselves for
what
this
they
place.
do? Why you?
No show ourselves for this place. You know like am. You know like I tell this one make come on hand. I'll punch person o. 1, 2.
So now like this, not to want take work for you.
I don't understand. Like this disrespect is getting out of hand.
You will say you want cook. You know they see yourself. You know they see your size.
Oh my God, bless. You see this thing where you talk. You see this thing where you talk. God go run for you. Normally, you not supposed to make heaven, but again, we go run for you with 2K. Let me they tell you. God go bless you for this thing
You
where you
want
talk.
cook? This is here na shrine. May you go the bomb food up and down.
How many times I don't burn food? 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 Count down.
Okay, the other day when you burn food, when you come shop,
Okay, that one now.
Good. That time when you put food for fire, they come shop. When that brother come shop, come tell us say food they burn for house. When we dey house, they sleep. Come before you know, smoke come they cover our nose. Wetin that one come be?
Nearly die 3.
Good. Now continue. Good. My sister, with this following viewpoint of mine, I know that I'm able to convince you or to convince you that I am the winner of this preposition of a thing that we're dragging.
You don't confuse
But you know if you enter kitchen now.
Not true.
How you want to see?
I don't let the people, the owners of this house know say I don't commit this kind of atrocity.
Oh yeah,
I can enter kitchen.
Move they go, abeg. Move they go.
I can enter kitchen.
No, we have to agree ourselves. Forget this girl now when we don't come. This girl now just be like outside.
But you know I can enter. But you know I can enter.
But I cook more than you. The only thing.
But you know that me I can enter.
The only thing is they forget something. I forget that they make me bother food. But I dey cook food party. You know what they cook.
They cook food party.
Yes, you should make. Me and you who cook pass?
They cook food pass me.
Yes, of course.
May they cook manu and salt. They cook food pass me. They play. You're warning yourself.
Respect yourself. I know they like this kind of thing. As we come this house now, more we achieve something with our life. More we all respect ourselves. That means not be royalty share will sit down since now. The servant people own.
Yes. No be that. First is now. First you.
Come on, I know they like them.
Leave me. Come on now. Come on now.
Agbagari na ege sanja. Agbagari na eje Lagos. You don't push me.
Come on now.
You carry. Jesus! Wait. Eche come. Eche, wait, stop! Who that be Eche? Eche, stop!
No, they drag me now!
Go back to sleep. Jesus! Now we'll go back to this palace. I know they like this kind of thing. I they get phobia issue for fear. I don't know.
Maybe you know the really ghost we see now.
And you be talk this ghost matter. You say if you die, you'll come fight me.
Maybe no the ghost we see. Maybe na just carry we carry.
Oh, they carry see.
Yes.
You carry see yourself here. They come. Just carry see.
Where they go now? Try to involve me now. They involve me now. Man know what they saw. You see another one where I no see.
Carry see yourself.
My love, you are yet to tell me the outcome of the meeting between you and the youth outside.
I need to be left alone. Please. I demand you leave now. I need quietness.
What's going on? Amara! Hi! Amara! Amara! Hi! Can't believe this, Amara. Oh yeah, come now. Amara, is this you? Eh? Amara, comfort. Just open that bar. Look at you.
What is your business?
I don't want my business. Eh? Look at you. I told your father asked you to stay away from this idiot. Look at where he brought you to come and stand. To one particular place that is very nice. Okay. And this is where you are standing.
Obina, stop cutting through corners. Stop meandering. Talk to me directly. You said I'm stupid, Abi? I don't have a future.
Obina,
say it directly to me.
See, I'm not here to answer any useless questions. Eh? The person I am talking to knows himself. And that person is a fool. The person does not have future. Oh yeah, you want one naira, nothing at all.
Obina, this is the right time.
You dare not.
You don't need to go anywhere. This is the right time.
Amara, this is not the right time.
Talk to him direct.
Talk to me.
This is not the right time. The person I am talking to knows himself. I've been looking for an opportunity to tell him that he's a fool. No way home at all.
Okay, I am stupid, right?
Yes, everything. Oh yeah, you do go to.
Obina, I'm stupid, Abi.
Look at
I'm a fool, Abi.
Tochi, am I saying? Blue.
Eh?
Blue.
I am stupid. I am stupid, Abi. I am stupid. Yeah. But
Masude! Hey! Masude! It has happened.
Okay.
Hey, Masude. Where will I start from? Oh my God, it has happened live.
Again, it happened on us.
It's your daughter, Amara. He had now gone wagging wine now. I'm not going to Otesha Jibo. Name me like this.
Obina, I don't understand.
What is it that you don't understand? Masude, your daughter Amara, she is busy with that useless boy called Tochi. A boy that does not have future in this village. She is busy with that boy and I take it in and I say bring it up.
Obina!
Yeah.
Tochi!
Immediately, oh, hand me.
Wine.
Hey, Masude, you're wasting time.
We are there now. We are there now.
Help you.
Did I startle you?
No, my princess. No, ma.
I saw some new girls today in the palace. Who are they?
Oh, Echa and Ifechuku. They are my friend. They are here seeking for employment.
You never told me.
I was coming to tell you. I was about coming to tell you.
I hope there won't be trouble.
No, my princess. They are far from trouble.
Tell them I will see them soon.
Okay, my princess.
Let him come down. Next time he will.
Obina.
Left.
Obina.
Tochi, eh?
The stupid person has come. You said I'm stupid.
No, hey, you see, I cannot say something like that. Tochi, you should know me by now. See, I'm your brother.
Okay.
Yes.
So what did you tell Amara's father? About me?
Oh! Look at you. See, I was even telling the man that, look, that Tochi is a nice man. That you'll be helping a lot of people in this village from one person to another. You know, all these things. So
you are not the one that told him that I was with his daughter? Eh? And that I'm stupid. You're not the one.
See, Tochi, I don't know why you are saying this. See, everything is fine.
Obina,
eh?
What is my name?
Tochi.
Good. If Tochi does not kill you today, then don't call me Tochi again.
See,
if I do not design your body, then it is not me.
What's that thing behind?
I do. I don't go tell Princess about it. So she said she go carry the matter view very soon. So I wait.
Wait though, why you take Desha say down her presence go grant them? You know say down her presence guy she take the
Wetin be your own? Okay. Why you be say now you be the weapon come against me for this palace? Wetin I do you?
Wetin I talk?
Eh?
Wetin I talk?
Shey you don't make my friends then get work for you?
Madam, the question I ask.
No, you don't want me to work here now. Just tell me.
Mona, wait. That one a princess we get evil spirit.
You want put fuel for the fire. Wetin be you see say she don dey vex already.
See her mouth. I take God beg una to Mona leave me. I won't think.
Sorry, ma.
I think I want to give my friends them tips so that if they reach there, they don't go for my hands. I beg.
Sorry. But wait, wetin you know say you go tell them now? Well, you know wetin she want ask them. Like wetin your mind they tell you say may you.
I no blame you. No be your fault.
Sorry.
No be your fault. The whole food where they chop for this palace, you know they show for your body. So I no blame you. Mona leave me out. Let me think. Make her think. I beg.
Madam, think. Make calculator. telling you, there is something strange about her. I saw what she did to the food I gave to her. There's something odd about her.
You're not the only one who has noticed that. Everybody in this palace knows about it, but no one is brave enough to say anything. So all we have to do is to keep our mouth and our curiosity closed and act as if everything is fine.
Is everything all right here? I doubt. Because I heard someone say odd. What are you talking about?
Ma, it's a relationship issue between my man and I.
Oh, I see. Shit happens. I'm done eating. Go clean the table.
Why am I holding on? I need this. I told you I will eventually run out of patience. Please, I need this as my wife.
Wait! I'm not in the mood. I can't do this right now. This is not the right time.
You must be in the mood. You must be in the mood. You are my wife. I need this. I've been patient. You know that. And then... Oh, baby, look at all this. Look at all this, and... You know how hard it is for me to hold myself, to be a gentleman, not to go outside my matrimonial home. You know that. Please, give me this thing. Give me this thing.
Baby.
Wife.
Oh, baby. My friends. You want this?
Yes.
It's all yours.
Hey.
Hold on. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Slowly. Gentle. Slowly. I'll give you all of this. You want it?
Yes.
Different style.
Okay.
Like that.
I'm ready.
Yes. Close your eyes, baby.
My eyes.
Oh, my love.
Come, baby. Come, my love.
Relax. Relax. You two have seen me in my true form before.
Listen, food is life. I want to leave for you.
Now you be Madam Abi. Eh?
Today was the best I ever did.
You supposed to say, now me talk. Now you be the Madam Abi.
You shouldn't be here.
I don't think this is okay. No with you. No.
Who they call cookie? You don't get respect. Come on, will you zoos out of here? When you zoos, you get respect. I beg my face better business. I beg you. Shemina, you be the first way they employ us. You're supposed to employ us. Maybe you.
Yes, I am.
Beautiful. Now, according to the book of law, meaning that if left hand wash right hand will do what? Wash left hand. As you don't know your true color, say you be queen of the coast, you are a ghost, you are a spiritual appear and disappearing. Now only God knows ethically you call this palace, maybe you can't do, but one thing I want to tell you be say, we go keep your secrets for you. Only if you employ us. And another thing, you know go kill us. Because before you strike, we will strike.
I have no intentions of cleaning me. Except one person.
Which person?
Which person?
Echi.
Ife. You know that she did the character. Shut up. Please, I'm innocent.
Kill him first.
I'm innocent.
Every other person, if you live there, or you see this guy, kill him.
No, they kill.
It's of no use to humanity.
Good night.
No, jeez.
Leave me. May they kill me. May they kill your own sister.
Echi.
See him.
Echi.
Leave me. I said you go betray me.
Which one I'm saying that so you go betray you? Your mouth go down the sharp. No be you.
No touch man, no vex for useless.
Now you don't there. I think I kill you. No be you there yet. Just start talk with me.
Baby.
Yeah.
What happened? Seem not to remember anything.
Oh, you were drunk last night. I had to put you to bed.
Drunk?
Yes.
We both know that I don't drink alcohol.
I was surprised you did. But I understand. With the pressure and trauma the king has placed on everyone, I know this might happen. But no offense taken. By the way, your breakfast is on the way.
Stay for front, see. Stay for front. For school, na by height. Small children they stay for front. Others go do it. Respect yourself. Sorry, Queen of the Coast, no verse. According to the book of wisdom, where one from starts. Yes, now we will start from wisdom, my sister. According to the book of wisdom, one beg you, let what we see yesterday be water. Then today on.
Go be fraud.
According to her, she said maybe fraud. If you swallow that one concern, no verse. We wish to unsee what we will see yesterday. Today on, we will not see anything. See, we don't look one place. Either she won't kill you or she won't change you to tortoise. Now what do you want?
No,
you can change her.
See that I will see him.
Madam, calm down. You feel change
her. No, me not see him. No, me miss him. Not see him.
Who's here? What's the one? You the queen of the coast. See, my you feel as a shrine person for now.
Leave me.
Set.
You see, you say you set yourself. Set your. I don't tell you to keep the dress well. Complete yourself. You say you set your clothes well. Set.
Sit down now.
Respect yourself.
Me and the first punishment together now.
Queen of the coast, you dey shout. I swear to God, no change you to something else. Man, no day. Eti. For front of Queen of the Coast cross leg. You dey cross leg follow her.
Have you done this job before?
The job, according to experience, if na housework, Queen of the Coast, we no dey fear. We dey clean house, we dey sweep. So we get experience.
Yes.
That no be problem. But anything when you want use and do, if you use and do, that will not get problem with that. Anything. If you can go on a kingdom.
If you wear a chair.
Eche dey in the front of Queen of the Coast. In one swallow, one can go their kingdom. Even if she kill you now, no concern me. Man, no verse. Anything we use and do. Not just for us to just dig grave wey be size burial. Now so just nothing. I go represent you for life.
In here, we use standard tools for a professional and neat job. Are you conversant with the tools?
Actually, ma, me I use my last place of work, I use standard professional tools to work.
For where?
No, calm down, me I talk. Now you know everything you sabi. I use standard professional tool for work, so I'm convenient with it.
Compatible.
Compatible.
I'm consider.
Consider. Allegedly, ma. I mean, so allegedly, I'm in awe. But I promise if I handle work, in fact, all your workers go quit because they will automatically be useless to you.
Talk what you if you do.
Now you know.
What's your area of specialty?
Everything, ma. Everything is my specialization. My special. Hey.
And you?
Na collabo. Anyone which they do, I follow for inside.
Copy.
Push on me, copy.
You don't get what you do. Common specialty, no.
Me, I specialize follow.
They specialize follow me. They play.
I'll give you girls a test to run.
Test? No, you fit take her. Anything we want to do, nothing they happen. I go tell mama
what not that test. They
say
test. They give us question to answer.
They are tough with one carry you go. Check this now, white spoon.
If you look me for trouble for here, you know calm down. Your mind no go rest.
What did they worry you?
I hear say they don't give you the work. Congratulations.
Everything just happen, vam.
Be lie. Take out to the club.
Thank you.
Pity she be scratch.
I want to ask you something. Don't get it, they bother me since.
Waiting be that.
I don't wait since man know that I go see prince for this in the palace. I no see. Have fun now. I no get prince for this palace. Try me now, make you show me the prince. Man had me and I feel run 1 or 2. From there we now feel run show. From there we feel call the date. From date we go enter marriage. From marriage I don't become una queen. If the king no would like if you your verse tell me say, will you go away and leave my son alone? From there go give me big money. I go collect the money. I go chop. I go see the love his son.
So prince go come marry you. For your mind now, it be full package.
The package, I need to see the package.
Where the package dey?
See now.
Thomas, see first.
Yeah. You know see enough package. No, am I not packaged enough?
You are not packaged enough, ma. Tell you. No be say we no get prince. We get prince. But you see that woman, that princess, we accept you. We give you this work now. We make you wear this thing we wear. Now the prince wife be that. Now the wife. So come on your mind for there.
They don't marry.
They don't marry, yes.
They do traditional marriage.
They do traditional marriage.
They do white wedding.
Ha. Yes.
Out of court wedding.
Wetin concern you?
Answer question. Me they ask you no ba. Out of court wedding.
They do court wedding.
You don't born for her?
Wetin you wan use all this information to know? Wetin concern you?
She don't born for her.
She never born.
Yeah. Orakube na. Hope still there na. If as you never born for her, hope still there for me now. Because very soon now, Igwe feel your verse say, go away, there's no heir to my throne. I let another new lady come and give heir to the throne. So now they are for going down.
It's a good.
It's shocking, Abi. It's shocking.
Talking about the Igwe, thank God say talk about am now. You see that man, I take God beg you, avoid them. Avoid them. If Igwe they come left, follow right. If they come right, follow left. She dey waiting at the top.
Why? Who him be na monster him be?
That he pass monster. That man no get heart. Like this way me and you get heart, he no get heart.
Why you dey touch my chest?
No vex.
They touch my chest.
Oh yeah, sorry. I just dey give you advice as my friend. That man heart he dey for back. He strong pass stone no. I don't dey tell you now. Avoid them. She dey waiting at the top.
They chop bottle. I bet see I dey like dey my lane. You see me, I no wan die before my time.
Better.
Now HA now you go tell because that girl be like who wan die by tomorrow. If they like anyway she go trouble they follow am. So now HA you go dey tell, no dey tell me. I dey my lane every time.
Not true. Where HA dey?
They ask me, no go na employer for work. If they do it duty now, you go find out for where they do it.
I dey come make her check.
Stone, I know they say that.
Keep on. Make her check whether she that side. HA!
Alpha King, I hear say they say you tell you, so you be terror by night. By they don't try me. As I call this your palace now, don't try me. If you change that for me, I'll change that for you. That's it. I got they laugh you. You dey ask and then you say like now how they go take grind your teeth this night?
How you go tell me say you can't go?
What did you say by night you don't cook? Ete?
What did they?
Ete?
Now this is what they use cook for us. Stove don't finish, firewood don't finish.
You tell me you start to the drag, say that you must be chief cook, that you want be cook. You don't know Abi? Now they don't give you work when you go cook. You say you no go. Ete, carry this thing and light this fire.
And then say this thing a traditional palace. Me and the thing say na firewood stuff.
Ete, you be liar. Ete, I dey laugh you. I will laugh you in Botanese. I will laugh you in Swahili. I dey tell you. Better respect yourself, cook this food. Just see yourself everywhere dry. Hunger get down and you never give people when get out food. What did they employ you for?
Hello?
Welcome, Queen of the Coast.
Why don't I smell food in this kitchen?
Bro, you see this way you talk? Say, channel it to her.
So actually, ma explain myself.
I still not speak English. Come on, English.
Actually, ma, the day I was dragging for this place of making this food. So, you know, we were told that this palace is a traditional one. In my mind, I had a picture, what do they call it, firewood and chemical and other things running them. Only for me to enter the kitchen and they see all these high things. And they see gas.
This girl is a broad liar.
Excuse me, don't interrupt me.
Oh, really?
I said, what's going on? What the heck is this thing doing here?
What the heck? You put heck for what they take Queen of the Coast.
Hello, hold on. I said, what's this thing doing in the palace? Traditional palace. And I said, this one makes you help me cook. Since me, I don't feel use them.
You say, who help you cook?
I tell you, I'm not.
You are a brother. Shut up!
I tell you, I'm not.
See, Queen of the Coast, this girl is a liar. Strike this girl. In short, punish her. Should this girl lying there for your front? The drag. Don't bring the drag so that you go cook.
Yes.
Now you go be cook.
Yes.
Why can't you face it? You this brother liar. Shut up!
Enough. This is a royal palace.
Good.
You have 30 minutes to make me a sumptuous rice.
Beautiful.
You, why haven't you cooked?
Me? Queen of the Coast. If I start to cook for you, it will take 3 days later before I go see the food show. Because I go start with beans. I go first cook the beans. You know, before you know as beans they take now. Even if you put account, it will take time before you do. Then I'll go enter Okwa. Another account candidate again. I'll go cook the I'll go enter Achicha. You know Achicha? I'll go enter Achicha. As I cook the cha, I'll go enter Umba.
No, save it. Thank you. You have 30 minutes. You to make me a native soup.
Me?
Rice.
Native soup. No.
Am I correct?
My native soup, give me rice. I know, is there anything native about it?
30 minutes.
Mama,
if I come back here, and my food is not ready.
Use up for sacrifice. Now she go feel am.
Now she go feel
am, ma.
Man, no fit cook sausages. I cook only rice now. I never cook sausages before.
You cannot make sausages nice, but you make rice. Who's the investment and say, how come? I think this girl na goose. Goose they hungry.
This floor, where can I have the phone? Sorry. Who? Hey!
Like that, small picking like this. What you do now? Just not carry face like man who want to attack him. You know, do you know whose presence you are standing? Presence of another oracle. Shrine. King. Okay, king. King. Yes, king.
One more word from you, I will have your head.
Which person head?
You made the back of a lion to touch the ground.
Bro, Azalna.
Now you go you call bro.
Oh, sir. King Nazao now.
People have not that kind. Where lion? Why you talk say they which lion? See small picking where they talk say you allow the lion back to touch ground. This small now. If you see lion, not be run again.
Why you see the lion?
Oh, you don't go run.
Sorry, the blood is.
You made me fall to the ground.
You make who?
You say who? Why did they put life on your head like this? You will never chop 3 square meat.
I want to make you fall for God. Hey!
Who mopped the hallway?
Which mop? Hallway. We don't get hallway.
Hallway. Now me mop hallway.
Which hallway?
Hallway. Now yeah, be hallway.
Hallway. Which one is all the way?
Hallway. Now what they call all? Like where everybody gets
okay. Hallway. Yes. Oh, now see for 10.
Now me mop. Okay, now when lion day?
So now you the lion day.
Now you lion day.
Is that how to mop in your village? Flooding everywhere with soapy water.
I'm not flood. I swear to God. May I mop that place? I'm a specialist.
Specific.
I'm a specialist in mopping.
Okay.
I'm telling you the facts. Me, I cannot flop.
You know flop?
I know flop.
What is flop?
Flop is
okay, floppy. Flop.
Clock it.
Okay, clock it.
That I know flop, I swear to God. And me, I know.
Do they swear? You dey bleed. See your forehead.
What's the meaning of that? What's the meaning of that?
You know the 16, no.
But this small fall where you fall, now you don't bleed.
The fall can't be like the bleed no be for head or not for crown. But your crown is bleeding.
Guards, take them away.
Your crown is bleeding.
Stop!
Stop!
You are dead. What are you doing in my palace? What are you doing in my palace? You carry my crown. Let me have my crown back. Let me have it back.
Nemesis knocks, Igwe Azuka. The crown bleeds from the blood of the innocent. This is what you have crowned yourself with. A ruler born from the dead.
Get out of my palace. You have no right to be here. Get out!
The crown bleeds.
Now get out. Get out of my palace! Get out! I said get out! I said get out! Get out! How did they see this? It smells like trouble.
Eche, I just dey waka everywhere. All these palace, they find you. They pray say make you no go put yourself for problem. Eche, you don't already put yourself for problem.
I bet no dey use spit dey baff me. I think go beg you.
Me, I dey use spit baff you. Eche, shall don't want you say make you stay away from king. Eh? Wetin be more wey you no fit use well? Wetin be more?
Wetin I apply for? I apply for kitchen work. Na wickedness give me more man dey clean house.
Eche, how you wan take dey for kitchen?
Mona no stress me. No stress my life at all. You hear me so? No stress me.
If you apply for something wey be say your height. If you accommodate.
Me and mop no talk pass me. Mona, don't dey talk what you know. I beg, dey talk what you know.
Avoid king o.
Make king to avoid me.
Eche, avoid king.
Make king avoid me, no be small person too. Make king avoid me.
I take God beg you, avoid that man.
I take God beg king, may you avoid me.
Are you being serious? Are you telling me since you marry your wife, you have not had sex with her?
Not a single day. I've known that woman for a long time. We are not intimate. I've never kissed her. I've never caressed her. Nothing at all, and it seemed not to be bothering her.
Sorry, brother, to say. I think there is something wrong somewhere. Have you tried running some medical tests on her? And secondly, what if there is someone else?
No, not my wife. Charles, don't even go there. My wife doesn't have anyone else. She doesn't even have a family member or a friend or someone that she visits. She's always at the palace. What about the medical tests? That I've never thought of.
Wait. Your wife doesn't have friends? No family? They don't come around?
I've never met anyone from her family before. No cousins, no family member, no aunts, no uncles, you know. When I got back, we had a court wedding. And I never really bothered to ask a lot of questions.
How did you get married to her? Bro, are you being serious right now? Your wife's life is completely blank sheet. And you're paying blind eyes on it. Please, you have to do something about it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You employed some staff recently.
Yes, Your Majesty. Is there any problem?
I want to know their identity. There's something fishy about them.
Eche and Ifechukwu. They are non-indigents of this kingdom.
So what are they doing in my palace?
They are my relatives. I brought them here to give them a better life by securing a job for them here in the palace. So you have nothing to worry about. They are from my kingdom.
I am meeting members of your family for the first time. They are lucky. But I want you to keep them far away from me. Because I am not going to have mercy the second time.
As you wish, Your Majesty.
I smiled at her.
Your Royal Highness. Welcome, ma. Your Highness.
Did you commit any offense against the king?
Hey! So no, the full palace don't yet just. Nah, wow. I get trumpet for this place.
Listen, the king already had a target on you and your ally. I lied. I told him we are related, so that you can be free to do whatever you chose. I must warn you. Be careful.
You say Wahala though. Wahala, ma, be careful.
I know you two possess a special gift. And I believe with that, I can be able to achieve whatever I want on this mission.
Like, what is the mission?
It's a no concern of yours. You will go to the king's chambers to clean it. Why doing that? I want you to look out for anything diabolic. I mean, anything unusual.
Diabolic, no be juju. Ha. If una want give me punishment, say I do something. Or una want chase me come out from palace. No, una just tell me ma come out. Una know the use time want to punish person like that, but it's not good now. You don't already give me correction. Say no do this thing. No, I don't agree. When people they tell me man no go, that man no man avoid the way. They push me go the way side. You want me to buy me? Tell me now.
You are a smart young woman. You can do this neatly without raising dust. Name your price.
No, you pay 100K, no bad though. Because I'm risking my life now, right? I'm going to Igwe say this thing to clean. I'm trying to interfere in business that does not concern me. I'm trying to prognose in somebody's private life. I'm trying to do something that will risk my life. What if I go and eventually I not succeed? They will kill me. So let the 100K just be there and be hyping me. You understand? Jesus.
This is the sum of 200,000 naira.
From where to where? Na bag of nyash abi na nyash of money. Jesus. Ma, what's inside this body? I beg. Ma, how come? You will come out say you don't carry anything. Bagging. Where the money for enter? Like, how you tell no say I go ask for money like this? How? Involve me, I beg. I'm lost. Sorry, chop am here, I go pick am.
You must report to me in 2 days' time.
When you rise, the thunder strikes. When you speak, the clouds to steal. Your word was rain upon the land. But power drank deep in your chamber. The marketplace whispers your name, not in honor, but in dread. The lives you are meant to keep, you destroy. The bleeding crown that no one could see.
Why now watching me like this now? Una no kill me, oh, it's not my turn yet to die. I still be small picking, I never enjoy life. I beg. Una free me. It's my eyes here.
What is it?
It's my eyes here. Now the mission where you send me. You send me go mission. Now mission want up my head. I go there. I go in there where you say my go Igwe place. Now I enter. The kind charm where there no be small charm. Oh. In fact, that place is semi-shrine. Semi-shrine. Semi-very big shrine.
You must destroy it. Destroy the charms.
Destroy everything. Who give me power? Destroy shrine. I beg go. I no be Ebube Dike. I no be Ebube Monster. I no be Bafadaru. I know they destroy shrine. I beg. I beg you now. You are tormenting me. What do you want from me now? Haven't you done enough? Haven't you done enough?
This is important to me. It is important for my mission.
Now, what's it concern me now? Now, what I can't do here, my queen. Now, what I can't do here? I'm not going to cast demon. As long as the demon no disturb, no block my way. Make the demon day. What do I want to do for the demon now? Make the demon day, oh, make me a day my own now. I know they cast demon now. Make the demon day my day. Make nobody block each other way. Day your day, my day now.
Eche.
Ma.
I am begging you.
Please, ma, I'm begging you too for my life. Please, ma, I'm begging you. I come palace, come work. I know they cast demon. I'm begging you, ma, please.
Eche.
Ma.
You must destroy the charms.
I will give you your money back in that one, I bet.
Where is it?
And they come. You know, they man go bring that another one.
You mean dress?
Jesus. Azal, ma! Azal! How you don't see the money where I keep how the money they appear na? Please, who are you, ma? Who are you? You need to tell me. Am I dreaming? Oh God, now. You are threatening me now. You are tormenting my life now. I don't like this the way you did do. Now the money I want now, I beg now. I don't want to do this now. The tears no gree comot. I wan cry, you know they comot. In a bad thing I will comot. Ife! be for me, You get money, Not because of money that they treat me like this, Let it be known that it's because of money. Demons come, they threaten my life. Let it be known, my grandfathers, my generation to come, my children. Let it be known that it's because of money, It's because of money.
You see this way? This way be like we don't do native doctor before it become evil.
My sister. No? You think I go to destroy you? Now go turn to pillar of salt for inside your room.
But why she want kill this? They want destroy her father-in-law. Eh?
She know.
She never give us the full gist though.
No go want
talk. Be like how they keep secret from us.
No they talk.
But one day, Fawonia should do what?
Open.
Sahe Savannah go open.
I thought I said I have to do it, Not because of small money where you give me 200. Won't come back and risk my life.
Eti. They give you money. Eti. So this give you 2. Eti. So this woman give you 200k. 200 pa. Eh? And you heard that from me. Where my court? Where my court? I know the.
Which court? You calm down.
Calm down. Stop that rubbish. How am I going to give you 200,000 now? You not tell me you need
200,000 from Ghost.
I'm going to give me 200,000 from Ghost. You collect money from Ghost. Give me 200,000 and make it. I go change that for you. Bless me and you. I go change that for you.
She collect her back.
My friend, give me
I don't want now.
Where my 200,000? Where my own share? You get my own share and my money equivalent. You must give it to me.
I tell her say I don't want.
Give me money.
Give me money now.
You hear me? Give me my money. Give me my money. See, me and you feel so. See, I go press you now. I go press you now. You know good. So, I say, if you don't give me the money, give me that money. Give me that money. Give me that money.
I never to chop.
Give me that money.
I want pencil.
Give me that money.
I want pencil. I never chop. I want pencil.
Give me that money.
Hold on now.
Give me that money.
In fact, now, thank you. She give me. I'll give you the money.
Where were you? She got me worried.
I went out to clear my head.
Oh. I hope you did.
You know what? I've been thinking. Since I met you, I do not know anybody from your family. No relatives, no family members, nothing at all. I know absolutely nothing about you. And this is strange.
I understand.
No, you don't. And this is not funny. It's a serious matter. Like I know nothing about you, nothing about your background, no family members, no relatives. It's as if you fell from the sky.
Actually, I have 2 of my relatives here in this palace.
What? 2 here in the palace?
Yes, I brought them myself. You will see them in the morning.
Okay, I see. So.
for you. Show yourself. You have always been a coward. Show yourself now. You have refused to stay dead. I am going to end you in your death. When are you? I'm ready for you. Take it! Take it! I am the rock! I'm the rock of Asura! You cannot challenge me! I am rock. You can. You've got to get. Show yourself! I want to end you! I want to end you! I want to end you! Appear! Appear!
Peace you shall never have, Igwe Azuka, until death envelops you. Mate, meet my husband, Prince Hugo.
Prince? Oh, wow.
My relatives. I brought them here so they could be useful. They haven't really been doing anything meaningful at my hometown. So this is why they are here.
Hi.
Hi.
Greet him properly.
Oh.
Okay.
Greet him, my prince.
What's the meaning of that one? How you show him putting it?
I didn't greet them now. Greet
No, wait, it's money as well they shake now. No, what did they try to say now? But you know say na me know what I dey find for here. Now you now where you want which time you know I know.
What you know I know.
Which one say wetin you know I know.
Calm down,
If plenty people dey find something, you sef go dey find something. Go dey find something.
Your Majesty, I beg you, take it.
Enough.
It's enough. Polish my tongue, I don't see.
Anyways, we'll discuss about this later. Right now, I have a meeting with my father.
Go back to your duties.
Who do you try to say alright? Why they work alright? They tell me go back. They say, "Oh, stay in one come out."
Go back to your duties.
Leave me there. Go. Na intentional act. Come up for road, ma. Come on.
Wait, no. Come, don't sell this market to you one sell. Don't sell that market to you one sell. No try am. Elisa, since when you start to find a club?
No, leave me alone.
Are you sure these are your relatives?
My relatives. I will have to excuse you now.
You summoned me, Father.
Prepare your men for war. War is coming.
War? With who?
With the kingdom of Uli.
Father, we've been allies with the kingdom of Uli. Why then do you wish to wage war against them?
When the antelope claimed to be a wild animal because it has the privilege of being in the jungle with the lion will want to put him to test. The lion will want to test him on a relay race. King Odinaka has refused to give his own portion of a land at the boundary that separates our land. And since he wants to prove stubborn, since he has decided to prove stubborn, that means he wants war. He wants blood. And war he shall get.
You want to fight him over his portion of land? Father, what happens to negotiation? Peaceful approach to things. You can make him an offer that is too big for him to say no to. Rather than waging war against him because of a portion of land, Father.
God, I summoned you not to give your opinion, but to carry out my orders to prepare your men for war.
With all due respect, I shall not prepare for any war. If you want to fight him, you fight him yourself. As for me, when I take over this kingdom, when I take over this throne, I shall choose peaceful approach over war and tyranny.
Go now! Come back here! Wait until you are king! He hasn't been king yet. He's saying he wants to be the king. He's obeying my orders.
Oh, greetings, my son.
Greetings to you, sir. Yeah. Ome, it has happened, Lady T. Thank God you are here. Listen, let me tell you, it's very quick one, eh? It's not as if that I'm here to gossip, but I just saw something.
Obina, what happened?
Something that will interest you. You understand? You see, your husband is your husband. I just saw him now, walking home with one beautiful girl.
My own husband?
Yeah, you were too kunwa, eh? If you see the backside of this thing, look at your own.
My own husband?
Man.
Going home with another woman? Obina, that body go surplus. Eh? I will surely flog that woman.
Come, I will help you.
I will surely flog that woman. I will flog that woman. Come and show me that woman. Odoka! Where is it? Odoka!
What is it? What is it?
Oh, where is that woman?
Auntie? Eh? This one you are holding cane, are we safe?
Agnes, is this your face? Don't tell me that you're coming today now.
Auntie, I wanted to take you all by surprise, but brother saw me first at the park.
She thought she was smart. But why were you shouting my name with so much anger? And what is this cane doing in your hand?
You see this cane? Hey, you see this cane? Anywhere I see that useless boy Obina, I will use this cane. I'll flog him.
I will definitely deal with him. Don't worry. That useless boy, I will deal with him. Don't worry.
Auntie, what happened now?
Hey, you see that boy? That boy came to my shop to report to me that he saw my husband with a woman heading home to go and enjoy themselves.
Hey! Brother, is it that boy that greeted you on our way?
Exactly. Yes. Look, that useless boy, I will deal with him very soon. Don't worry.
Nah, don't worry. My husband, I will deal with him. I will deal with him myself. Don't worry. Aggie. Let me get back to the shop. When I come back, you will gist me.
You know now.
My husband,
I have a lot of gist for you.
I'll be with you.
Alright. Bye, Auntie.
You see that Obio? I will deal.
That boy, I will deal with him.
Get the car ready for my departure.
Right away, my prince. Let me get the car.
Going somewhere?
I have a meeting with King Godinaka of Uli Kingdom.
Is everything alright? You sound tensed.
My father's madness has started again. And this time I will not let it happen. Greetings, Your Highness.
Young prince, greetings. You said it's important. I'm listening.
My father wants to wage a war against your kingdom over a piece of land.
I see.
Your Highness, I know my father very well. He's a very selfish man and very ambitious as well. I know he doesn't stop until he gets whatever he wants.
Well, if you have come to talk me to give me that parcel of land, then your coming is futile.
I am trying to stop a war here. When two elephants fight, it's the grass that suffers. Your Highness, if there is a way that we can come to a peaceful resolution, maybe via a negotiation, please.
Then what do you suggest?
Sell the piece of land to me. Let me buy it from you. If maybe that will stop the war.
Prince, it's not everything money can buy. I don't have a problem with that land, but I have a problem with your father. Disrespecting my crown and speaking to my people as if they are under his sovereignty. I can't take that any longer. If he wants war, he will get war.
I apologize on behalf of my father. I did not come here on his behalf. I came here on behalf of the people that are going to suffer if this war is to happen.
Wow, you love the people as much as I do. I can see you have a threat of a great ruler.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I had a meeting with the king and it wasn't successful. My father wants to start a war with him over a piece of land that doesn't even belong to him. I don't know.
He wants to sacrifice some innocent souls for same purpose again. He never changes.
Again? You said again as if he has done something like this before.
What are you going to do? We cannot allow him start a war.
I tried, but failed. I don't know what else to do.
What's this noise? You don't want?
What did they worry you?
You know the kind of palace where they say you don't inside the house shrine, you don't sing
Now make you talk to me. I go tell you slap one day. See, if I talk to you, they respect me. Stand one place.
Maybe take your time.
What did you? Maybe
take your time.
What for you? They fight.
Maybe take your time.
You say man who
talk?
So if I go to your own.
Cataract,
Oh! Now romance the romance. You see that one? Like, I don't have the glue. I don't want you don't say.
Muna, stop now.
Fight now.
You know your sister will fight. What did they worry you?
Princess they call now.
Who be princess?
I better
make
let's continue.
Man say princess say make you 80.
What is this one?
Who they go now?
If I bring you for here, you bring me for here. So I don't see. I don't tell you the respect yourself. The respect yourself.
No, go see princess.
Come on, call you. Where you go see? What you want? What you want see princess? I can go raise you. I will do you anything, man. I will lift you up now.
And I will bring you down.
Hey, come closer. You won't see if it's small picking. Try. Queen of the coast, you won't cross your leg. We'll try him. No, because no vessel don't they work since time make.
Yeah.
Heat there. Why they shake your leg now? Respect yourself.
Calm down now. Don't tackle me like that.
I know I haven't been entirely open to you girls since your arrival. I have something very important I wish to tell you. So pay attention.
See this, you get this queen of the coast. She get what she they hide. Madam, speak with the hair.
Wow.
What will be well?
Now you go calm down now. With this voice, make person gist us now.
Which kind of rubbish talk with that one? You the mint?
You go move.
You the mint for your head?
Now you the mint.
You the mint?
I'm not the JBI for your trouble. We want.
I go puff you now. Everyone go fight block.
Try out.
Even if from 1 minute I take senior you, now seniority.
You know seniority. If we person here and I go to say the age difference long. Now 1 million. Use the seniority, go collect money from bank.
Use your lack of respect, go back to fish.
Shut up and listen. Do you want to quarrel all day?
Now you want to get respect.
Shut up. I know you've seen me in my true form.
Which form? Okay, the mommy water form. No, spirit form. Which of them?
Maybe the two of them.
Have you wondered why I appeared this way? And my mission in this palace?
I can say you get more gist with it for inside this your spirithood.
True.
Gist us with the here spirit. What do you say, Apple? You aside Queen of the Coast and being a spirit, any other thing?
King Azoka was never meant to be the king. He was the last son of his father. He had 2 other older brothers. Prince Ejike was the right heir to the throne. But he killed him because he wanted power.
Where have you been? I've been searching everywhere for you, all to no avail. You got me worried.
Meaning what? As a baby or something? Who asked you to search for me? Listen, woman, I have pressing issues to deal with. So you better hold your peace. Do you hear me? Get off my way.
Azuka, what's that for?
Why can't you mind your business for once, woman? Now listen. No mistakes. 4 girls. Yes, boss. I said 4 girls. Is that understood?
Yes, boss.
Now you have just 2 hours to deliver. Get to work.
Where are you sending them to, Prince Azuka?
You will address me as Your Highness.
What has gotten into you? Ever since the announcement of your brother's coronation, you have been acting different. What's going on?
Why wouldn't I act differently? No, tell me. My crown, my throne is being handed freely to another. And you expect me to be calm about it.
But that's his birthright. He's your elder brother. He's the heir apparent to the throne.
Well, the gods decide who comes out first. I decide who owns the throne. Stupid.
You better know what you're doing, Azuka. You better know.
Leave my presence, woman. Now! I told you 4 girls. Where is the 4th girl?
My boy is coming with the other one.
I hope there wouldn't be a mistake.
Yeah, boss.
You sure?
Yes, boss.
Take them to the side.
You become a terrorist and a kidnapper? All for what? What are you doing with those girls? Is it that your conscience is dead? Like, you don't have conscience anymore?
I don't think I have time for this.
I'm still talking to you.
How dare you? Are you mad? Listen to me, Naza. Do not make me start seeing you as a stumbling block. Else, it will not be funny. I would not want to warn you again.
Those girls did nothing to you. Please let them go. I'm begging you, Azuka.
I am warning you. Stay away from my affairs.
Please listen to me, Azuka.
Sanye, sanye, sanye. Sanye, sanye, sanye. Sanye, sanye, sanye. Egbisi megbe yirarire. Ekuku si mekuku, ekuku si mekuku yarire. Sanye o, sanye, sanye, sanye. Hakiri kamba he. Yay, 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 grablo. Off your phone. Hikiri kamba. Adumo kokwa. How it happen? Adumo kokwa. Your grabble, off your boy, he can come by, agba bingo, agba bingo, agba bingo. Adumo kokwa, keta mi kemo. Time came. Saye. Saye. Egbisi megbe rire. Ekuku si mekuku rire ma. Saye. Asaya. Ngwana, get time came. Ya grablo. Off your pay. Ikiri kambai. Adumo kokwa. Ya grablo. Agba bingo. Izadagbo. Izangbantiti. Time came. Many sanu sinye ibe get kangwa. Kick him. Ngwama. Ya grablo. Hey. Saye. Saye. Egbisi megbe rire. Hikem time came ngwa. Anu are. Many sinye ngwa. Ibugo. Anu akabere ngwa. Ibugo ngwa. Anu are. Ibugo ngwa. Eh! Ya grablo. Adumo kokwa. Ofi okpo. Ikiri kamba. Ngwaba. Time kebo. Inibugo. Ofi fila yo. Ebe sinye yo. Ngwaba. Hey! Adumo. Ofi okpo. Ya grablo. Ikiri kamba. Agba bingo. Asa. Yeah. Hey! Adumo. Ikiri kamba. Ofi okpo. Ya grablo. Agba bingo. Asa. Yeah. Ya grablo. Adumo. Ikiri kamba. Ofi okpo. Asa. Yeah. Anara yo. Mbe yebugo. Eyin ka bere. Ngwa. Ezegba. Ngwa. Inibugo. Ebugane. Ya grab adumo kokwa. Kike ngwaba. Anu are ka be. So. Ezegba.
Azoka, how dare you assault the royal palace in this manner? Azoka!
Ejike, that crown on your head doesn't suit you. I have come to seize what is rightfully mine. Hand it over to me.
Azoka, it's Wahala na one day. Azoka, as him Allah, you dare blaspheme against the throne? Huh?
It is not blasphemy. I only speak the truth. You are weak and cannot possibly rule this kingdom the way it is supposed to. Now, hand over that crown to me. Otherwise.
Azoka, otherwise, I never knew you were this irrational. Azoka, you are a fool. Oh, no wonder you were not present at my coronation, Azoka. You want the crown? Eh? Azoka, you want the crown? Come and take the crown. Azoka, come and take it!
You challenge me, Ejike? You dare challenge me?
Azoka, what if you get man? What if you get man? Azoka! Azoka! Ichoro na agba aka echi mmụọ. Ichoro na agba aka eti eze. Azoka, what you do not know bigger than you. Azoka, I am well protected by the gods. Oya, Bolom Jege.
AGK, I am Azoka, the unshakable rock, the lion of the jungle. Himanka also. William! I warned you, AGK. I did warn you. Now look at where you've ended. Idiot. You want to come and drag the crown and give me this type of authority. You know who I am? I am Azoka. And this crown belongs to me. I shall put it on my head. Yes. I am the unshakable rock, the lion of the jungle. If I am failed to be made a king in Azura kingdom, I shall reduce the entire kingdom to rubbles. To rubbles! Azuka. Oh no. I have come with my crown. I am the rightful heir to the throne of Azura kingdom. And it is time to make it official. Now take this crown and put it on my head.
That's not possible. But your brother AGK has already been crowned the king of Azura kingdom in the presence of the villagers.
AGK, my brother, is no more. Likewise Obika. Now take this crown and put it on my head, else you join them in the great beyond.
Is that a threat?
No, do not dare me. Take this crown. Guard! Take it! They need you. Oh no, I said take this crown now! Take it! Move forward. Oh no! Step down!
I crown you the king and sovereign lord of the kingdom of Azura. Igwe.
Henceforth, you will address me as your king.
Igwe.
Behold, your king.
How? What are you doing with your brother's crown? What have you done?
What a true blood will do to claim what is rightfully his. Now go up there, pack your things, we're moving to the palace immediately.
I go nowhere. What have you done to your brother Azoka?
Are you coming with me as my queen or not?
I will not sit beside you on a bloody throne. I won't be an accomplice to this.
Anyways, I didn't expect anything less from you. Suit yourself.
Azuka, when did you become this evil? When did you become this vile? Hey! Oh, God.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Speak.
I have found our location.
Is that so?
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. Take me there at once.
Yes, Your Highness.
What are you doing here?
Listen to me, Naza. I have come here to sound a note of warning to you. Oh, for the love I had for you. That is the reason why I am showing you mercy. I've heard about how you go around the village telling the people that I committed atrocities just to ascend the throne. Be careful.
Where is the lie? Where is the lie, Azoka? I don't even know how you sleep at night with so much blood in your hands. Fear!
Now listen to me and listen real good. Let this be the last time my name and my affairs come out of your mouth.
Or what will happen? Or what will happen, Azuka? So you do to me what you did to the others. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you.
You should be. You should be. Naza, don't try me. You know the man you got married.
Because I
wouldn't want to come here again.
Why will you come? You don't have to come. Your palace is Abazigi. Shalupan Bieba. Because Biko. Get out.
God.
Onyalo. You go Abala.
Hey.
So you became a wife? Hey, why you come marry your son?
Hey, me self, I know who understand. Hey.
He murdered me. He killed me because I was trying to expose him. Okay. After the birth of my son, he adopted us and threw me into a car and set it ablaze. Then my spirit grew angry and I promised that I would return and finish what he started.
Okay, so now you make you the fight since to kill the Igwe.
Yes, aura for aura. Like do me, I do you.
Yeah, I support you.
So you don't dey legit now say na ghost we dey talk to like this. I want to you are you aware say I want to bafuka? You don't you dey aware like this.
I want you to destroy the charm.
Hey, but madam, this kind of fight where you want fight now, you know say in get supernatural power. In get juju power. I want take win.
Achieve am. How you want to achieve am, no be we.
The charms in his chambers are the only thing preventing me from overpowering him. Get the charms. Destroy it. And he will be vulnerable to me.
Eche, you dey hear spirit dey talk. Sound where spirits no fit hold. Like they say you make you don't die be that. No, Eche, achieve your dream.
You get yourself. Sound where you no fit na me if you
Eche wan hold am.
Ah, you people are wicked.
I dey tell you, all spirits dey fear charm.
Let me understand.
Eche, I dey talk as this your destiny, na very bad destiny.
Na me I need to see.
No be my destiny. They will the boy. Okay, sorry.
Get the charms and destroy them. You have till 12 midnight.
Anna, you are wicked. Are you commanding us?
You see this? You see this character where you dey? I don't like him. Now you now shout to this woman. I make her vanish.
You go try your luck, my sister. Try your luck. You know say grace differs. Maybe go try your own. Maybe the chance go there too familiar with you. They no go do anything.
No, make that crazy worry for this your head. I don't see you learn lesson. Affliction no go rise the second time.
Who be the affliction? I who be this thing?
Now you be the affliction now. Still be the rise again the second time. So you no go rise where.
Make thunder help me fire your mouth.
Thunder go fire you. You be
make thunder help me fire your mouth.
You they look me like say I be your age mate.
Make thunder fire me.
Sure, me and you will be age mate. See, no, they make I see you. Even if now 1 minute I test you. Even if wait. Before spirit will come. Eche, I think first. No, wait. Wait, now, Shabi, next time you go. Next time, talk now. Talk.
Hey, come on, sorry, ma. Sorry, ma. Now let me the same. Come on, sorry. I sorry.
You bad manners.
Yes, I will bet
Eche, you bad manners. Eche, you bad manners. You bad manners.
Yes.
Make you just go bring something. Calabash, small thing. I don't know what the thing be. Make go carry for King Room night. Eche, Jesus. What is my face? What is it for my face? Come down. What is this thing for my face? Even if I be this, won't put it from my mouth. who to talk this?
Turn out to us so that she could carry me.
You let your Grace. Come on, you take this away, you marry spirit. Who is speaking through you? Out! Adonai!
We worship you.
Son of God, enter
Son of God! You
What be this one?
Son of God! That's what they discuss with Princess, that's how she call.
Oh no, what do you want no tafia? Everywhere you know, Salaharu, Usala one more.
Me, Onuba. Hey, not forget saying that because of me, come this palace.
The one that's
Waiting heavy, show me, waiting be that.
You know, what you want to see? My private part, I mean a private part. You know what they hide? When they say they heavy, do you know what came out of her? The heavy period. He said the heavy. The period is heavy. They go.
Go.
Ah. The period they flow, they come out.
Go.
What did they worry you? Why you come when they say it's heavy? Chris person. Every time you move yourself.
Man, they go back like this.
What did this one make you break? Jesus! If you know how you should break down, carry an like that, they go. Back it and go. One of you reload. Carry another and go. You fire. I cast you out. You demonic spirit in her. I cast.
What did they worry you now? Shit.
If I sit down for you, make it.
I don't see what I go to eat there. I mean, you need to start touching this thing. What happened to me?
What affect you? Because as they see you soon, and ghosts you don't touch. You are gone. You are a what? You gone. Leave her here. Leave her here. Where you want to leave her? Leave her. Eche. Eche, come on, this see where you put for here. Eche. Eche. Eche.
When you rise, the thunder strikes. When you speak, the clouds to steal. Your word was rain upon the land. God's power drank deep in your chamber. No matter.
Igwe, we are ambushed by King Odnaka's men. They took our men to their camp and I managed to escape, Igwe. No, they took us by surprise, Igwe.
It's okay.
Ugo! What did you do? I do not understand, Father.
Do not call me father, you traitor. How did King Odinaka know that I was going to hit him if it wasn't you that let it out to him?
I stopped a war. Your war. I did what I did to save the innocent lives.
I have endured you long enough. And this day, I am going to teach you a lesson that you will not forget in haste. God! God! Arrest him.
What? Father, you cannot do that. You cannot arrest me.
I can. Arrest him and take him away.
Yes, sir.
I know. Stop him.
I am your prince. Do not push me.
You have no right to hit him.
You take it easy. Move.
Go thief person phone. Go thief the queen phone. Fear no they catch you. Say you won't show me which thing. Which one you say? Why did they open their body like this? That's what they believe. Huh? What's happened? I tell you, say me no take this phone. I tell you, no take this phone. I tell you, no take this phone. I tell you, no take this phone. Now she thief the phone, not be me. I did my own. Now she show me.
I did do.
I did my own. She show me. I not even touch the phone.
No, calm down. No be phone matter.
What's
no be phone.
If not be phone.
War dey.
War dey.
Fire everywhere.
What's happened?
They don't arrest priest o. Igwe don't arrest priest like this.
My love.
Which one be your love again?
What's the worry on? There's no fear express your feeling again for man.
They don't arrest priest o.
You say war never start like this.
Wait, see, true arrest a whole priest of this kingdom.
I go lie for you. Oh yeah, now imagine say Igwe don't vex arrest priest. Imagine una two. Shall I tell una two? I tell una two say anytime Igwe vex, the moment that man face change like this, if he do anything, oh yeah, now I just say some of our guards, they don't arrest them for the neighboring village. What they?
Not to find the nearest night bus base. Where we go see Molue? I beg help us so that we from Molue enter night bus. Your base.
But me and you no get visa, we no get passport. How I want take visa? You no get visa now, you no get passport.
No, see my sister, as you see me so, like Kafansha are there like this. I know they would know. Kafansha na
you na involve me, na carry me along.
Kafansha na a capital in this state. You understand? Now it depends. If you put up a Google map, you will see it. So na more we go figure us reach there. So now may you also know more. Tell me where we fit see more so that we go enter the next available night bus. Base. I know why they talk this thing. Makamadi ida ebao. Makamadi isi madi ida. I know they. So more they talk. When you say,
I don't know. Muna check for the phone. I go pack my bag.
Go pack your bag.
Listen. You two they talk too much.
Let me listen. Me.
Now we find what defeat this evening. Before you go defeat us.
You are who?
Me
and you go find way defeat Igwe. We don't they do evil for the past 50-something years of your life, if not 60-something. Person where they start, we don't they do evil before they born my mama, come born me. Now they say my go defeat. The year of experience so that man gets for evil, we get her. Now I want to defeat her. Who you look at her? What about the Jewuna? What about? Manabe.
Yes, sir, Lady T.
Okay.
How you people doing? This how you people came up from the bush like thieves. I hope all is well.
My son, all is not well.
Save me.
You are not safe.
I'm not safe.
I pray for today. Mr. Gife may make it today. You will never interfere in anybody's business again.
Mr.
Gife,
I'm a sweet person now. What are you now?
I have tried my best. I'm a peaceful person now. Useless boy.
myself? Hmm? Why can't I stay one place and mind my business? And look at what I've gotten myself into. See as my head is aching me as if 20 people are bouncing on it. This. Eh? How long will this continue now? How long? It's like I'll be minding my business from now on. I should be minding my business. What should I do now? Should I leave this village? If I continue to stay in this village, I will still not minding my business. Should I leave?
Oh, which side?
This one follow for ghosts.
I want to know the
Maybe you do what you want.
Hello, excuse me.
Hi. Hi, sister.
Now you the turtle, now you be double. Now you the turtle.
I think saying nobody they see me.
You say nobody they see you. Will they see you now?
I dey call up you.
Rob, I don't know.
Father for face, It finish for when the one rubber for your neck.
What happen when make the rob you want picking you there?
No,
You go thief
maybe
father.
thief father.
Okay. I thief before. That's why they kill me.
You thief for real life. Oh, before they kill you.
But you can't resemble person wey be witch for life.
Go see the turtle. Don't go turn us to something else.
Wetin una want?
I bet no verse. We want ask you something.
Wetin be that?
We dey find spiritual help.
On top the one where they so. You won't make them reject me. Won't send me to hellfire. Get behind me, Satan.
Okay. So as it because you see the premier time.
You felt crazy when you dey alive. You felt mad.
Yes, I felt mad. Now why they send me? Now why they kill me?
No. You're not mad. You be witch. You be witch.
They never slap you. Like they slap you. Now you I bet no verse. The like say economy they do to now. This one will just be like this. I beg we want your help.
You can see me.
That one a normal question. Where would they receive every day? Can see me. Would they see you? I bet if you help us with something.
Who?
Who they find person?
Who?
One Dibia, strong Dibia, we go help us with our problem.
I know a very strong Dibia. He solves problems that comes to his doorstep.
Like powerful one, real one.
Yes.
You sure?
I bet we will see and come carry us go. I would explain to us how we'll take here.
I don't think if I describe the place, you'll be able to find it. I will take you there.
You carry us go. I don't know say ghost the kind though.
But if
it's not that far.
Alright, let's go.
This way.
Are you go lead now? Don't you know the place? Ghost. I want to reach where they go with this kind of leg. I beg you go hasten up, ghost. Oh, we not finish where they go with this kind of legs or this kind of movement in the waka. Ghost. I beg I use God beg you. Hasten up. I want to reach where they go like this now.
Say that they always do flash like vroom.
I beg sister, you feel vroom for us. We'll reach up, we'll meet up. Let me the vroom now.
Let's disappear.
Sister, I beg vroom for us. We'll go meet you up. I don't want to reach where they go with this python movement.
3 p.m.
I want to reach where they go. Even we, you know many times we don't pass this ghost for road. We pass and we can't come back again, reverse, come back again. We dey waka. Now you they see you better say we learn how to work as this woman they work. They don't dark where would they work? So more safe for roads.
Land of the
you sleep cash you don't sleep they work. They sleep they work. And now we don't reach here, we don't tire. See so we dey waka, we go pass you, come back, follow you for back, pass you, come back. We don't when the
waka since 3 p.m.
I just tire.
Night don't reach us. See the waka.
If you never see, if you don't get the spiritual person, may you rest. I bet you for tell us.
This is my resting place.
No, you don't use person they play.
You dey whine me. You say what?
You don't use person they play. What do you mean by this is your resting place? Did you say you should take us to your resting place?
We tell you say one rest.
See, ghosts. Not a person play.
Ha.
Not because you feel like they don't fit beat you. Now they do all this thing. Now you tell us you know Dibia, strong Dibia. Now you carry us call your resting place. You don't use person they play.
And they tell you with the way you tell they work like python.
We never small picking for your way go wine.
The charm your king has will only be nullified by Agu leave.
He said what? Echi, how you tell us now what you do fair? How you tell us now what you bring us call here?
I am Abali, the sorceress.
Hey! Hey! Now I get it.
Say!
Now I get why you carry shoulder out the pride too much.
Abba!
No, his father, Nana. She woman now. He's Abba mother.
Okay.
Abba mother.
Onisiaga.
I think cross.
Eh? You say
I think cross.
No cross, the feet vanish.
Shake
it. Shake what your mother gives them. Abba.
I know so much you don't know.
Normally now you be ghost.
Get the Agu leaf. Chew, but do not swallow.
Agu leaf.
Speak to no one until you come face to face to the power pot. Then call my name.
No verses. It's not go possible, sister.
You know, say you see the talk.
You see that? Which one says
you
the talk? No, I use God beg you. You see all
normally.
You see all the talk we're supposed to talk. Talk am now. You don't hear I say we don't need to talk. We don't need to talk until we see face to face.
Say now you go spoil the whole thing because you go always make person talk.
How want to make person talk? Now you talk fast.
Now you talk fast. Now you
you got anywhere where your feet to make this guy deaf and dumb? I banalize this guy now.
Go punish you there. Go now, go help me. Sorry, now ghost. Let me punish you.
Go now, you have the time.
Where one go when you call here? You should see. You see this way someone not go talk. You not go feel what you should. They go your home. They come home.
Just say they misbehave. You know anywhere.
You see the
go now.
Hey! Oh God! Oh!
You start now.
Oh
God! Stop this the way they do now. Tell this man to be this one now.
I didn't Jesus! How me? Why are you vandalizing us?
Who's there? Come in. Come in.
I wish to see my husband, the prince.
He's indisposed at the moment.
You arrested him. The heir to your throne. How could you?
He cannot be my heir to the throne. He arranged with my enemy. He has been planning to unseat me. He has kissed the throne goodbye.
I wish to see him. Now!
I hate to repeat myself. No one shall see him. Neither will he see the light of the day until I say so.
You are!
Say it! I say it! I order you to say it. I order you to say it. Say it! Say it!
Your nemesis is near. I told you that your nemesis is near. Now, it has caught up with you.
You are a spirit.
Not just any spirit. Your worst nightmare.
So you've been in this palace all this while?
Fighting you within shadows. And now, the fight is being brought to light. I warned you. Your end is near. Your end is near.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Now where una dey come back from? Since yesterday, una two just come up for here. Una not even tell anybody. Shey here na una papa house. They say cut your coat according to your size. See wetin I go cut. Wetin I do now? You dey take me waka? Wait, I wan ask una something. Who una leave una duty for? You dey tell me waka? Na me dey tell waka. Wetin dey una two mouth? Wetin dey una mouth? Wetin dey una two mouth? Una no fit talk again. I no understand. Wetin dey do this to me? See, man tell una something una just jejely go inside, pack your bag because Igwe go fire una. And that one na for sure. I dey follow una talk. Wetin be this one wey dey your mouth? Wetin? Yeah! Wetin I do that?
Not true. Lord of Juju. Eh? When waiting? Which battle will go with you?
You see what's in
Eh? Eche? Eche? We don't stay for hours. Me and you no talk. Parrot like us. We don't stay for almost 5 hours. We no talk.
Not true.
Eche? So we feel this life we no talk. Jesus.
You try.
Wow.
I don't know say you feel good yourself.
Come here. Eche, come. Why you dey talk to me anyhow when we put this in format?
How you tell us I talk to anyone?
When did they tell you, you do me?
You know what I talk?
Which I'm saying I know what
you know what I
if I tell me no talk, you go you know I think when you do
it. Why you gonna command me anyhow?
I take command you.
Why you gonna command
if not be how I tell you, by this time your parrot mouth don't come out.
Nah,
you know they hear what I talk to you, I don't tell you if I don't talk to you. Maybe tell me say I like. I don't want to see, not be smart. This is the last I could give me.
Please, I'm not hungry. Please forgive me. Okay.
You see, Papa has this. Which one say my she?
Because you know they had you.
No,
You start with eye contact.
You want to be a hindrance.
Yes.
A disaster between two people.
Yes.
This one you both released me. My father will be furious.
Hand don't meet your papa. If not for that one, forget her.
Who be that one? When men dey. No. We man for you. We dey gala.
Women will be. We are men for him.
Na man be the slogan.
Please, what do you mean by that?
What do you mean now? Be say your papa is level-less. Your papa now powerless power, devil power, powerless power. She no get level. She's level-less.
No,
but you can. Then look at papa house. Feel free. Be free.
No, break the news now.
No break which news? The pregnancy news. I mean, why they say you want break news?
Please, tell your mother to suspend me, please. Please. My mother. Wait for my mother. Please now, please. Please, sorry, please. Forgive me. Father, what is wrong with you? Help me beg your mother. Help me beg her. She's punishing me for my
mother. Where is my mother? I cannot see anybody.
I'll confess. I'll confess. Your mother is here. She's right here. I burnt her alive. That was when you were small. I did it because she was spoiling my name to the people that I killed my brothers for the throne. She's right, she's right. And I sacrificed 7 female virgins for power. I removed my brother from the throne. And I did that because I wanted the throne. And then I chased them away. I did this for power. I did this for the cabinet members. They refused to tag along with me, and I murdered all of them.
Why? For what reason exactly?
Power. I needed power by every means. The power is gone.
Come back for here, power one are there. Now, you see these people of this world. What do men they do to get power?
Power will be say you no go wake up, sleep, wake, you no go wake up.
Father, you are so evil, Father. Father! Where's my wife?
You don't see this guy, baby.
Mama!
Why are you in this body?
Which body?
This body.
What will be the problem, H? What I don't do it for this?
You know, the person they call your wife.
Enemy of progress. Person will be saying we all liberate now. Instead of her to see me, see as I did, you're the good meeting.
So now why you liberate her? Now why you liberate her?
For them to call liberate
me.
Bless it. What you worry?
What's the worry?
Why you be any of progress?
Listen, now you be any.
Because you know say no go fit carry me. Now what will be your problem? Why be say every time? Why I go see? I
don't start.
Who be this one? Black sheep.
Maybe we see on that thing.
Oh, baby. Now that big will follow that queen of the coast. That one a queen of the coast, mama.
My time here is up. Thank you for helping me win. I am most grateful.
Now we're confused. You make your time never end.
No, your time no need to end. Half our money.
Our money.
You promise us something now. Say if we win the battle for you, go give us something.
You will be greatly rewarded.
Thank you.
Cash or transfer?
Which one be cash or transfer? Goes the transfer.
Anyhow, may tell us now.
Which one be your problem?
Cash or transfer?
No, make they give us cash. Goes where you want to transfer. If you do transfer now, you go say if you disappear. I beg give us cash. Yes.
Everything is not about money.
Mbamba. No try to talk that one, no. No, they use corner.
They talk about say everything is not about money. What do you call they talk about?
Because they enter house now.
Everything is about money, oh.
Sister,
We don't go forest.
We do quiet.
Oh.
We don't talk.
Oh, we will be parrots naturally. We when they talk for 5 hours. Since when my mama born me, I never keep quiet for 5 hours.
For that statement.
I never keep quiet for solid 5 hours since when my mama born me.
No
but
blame
I tell you today.
No blame am. Now ghost Kibi. Ghost don't know any value for money.
Not true, sir.
You don't know value for money. Maybe now why they kill.
You should be talking about how to be liberated from seeing more ghosts. I should be the last ghost you see.
How to be liberated from seeing more ghosts. No, wait, excuse me. Let me understand what you talk now. How to be? You should be concerned about how to be liberated from seeing more ghosts. More ghosts. What do you mean? More seeing more ghosts.
I will be the last ghost you see.
Bah! You mean now? You fear us? No, we see ghost again. My sister help us.
No help us.
Liberate us.
Man, tell you something. You know, say as we see her now, work for him. She dey give us reward. We fit send another ghost work for him, another ghost give us reward. Before you know, we become millionaire.
So that the business idea we do is to see different ghosts.
Yes.
May God punish you. You see as you small now, so your sense will gather for your head. If I wipe you slap,
liberate her. No, liberate me. Give me my money.
I beg, liberate me. Carry this girl join your kingdom because God is not the warrior.
Liberate her.
I wish to liberate you too.
Aye, Ete, what you put for my eye? Ete, what you put for my eye? I'm also Ete. Can you tell them? You open that with a woman pour that first day was here. Aye. See the guy ready. You don't stop. You don't stop. You don't stop.
Where she gone?
Hey.
Pay my money.
Which money?
She better tell her make she pay me, liberate you. Tell her make she liberate us.
I mean, of course, not be two of us, you don't liberate.
Make she give me my money. That she be now you tell her make she not liberate me. Make she give me.
As she liberate us now, you don't like her.
I don't like her.
So the liberation not be your own.
You know my own. And I tell your time. I tell you to make give my money.
I don't tell you this much, you know the home. I don't tell you how many times. If I don't.
Yeah, dead body. If I wake up here.
You rise, the thunder strike.
Yeah.
When you speak, the glass is still. Your words rain upon the land. Inspire your dress in your chest. The marketplace whispers kill them. Not in all.
Forget saying we don't die. Forget saying we don't die. Forget saying we don't die. We go.
Lives you are.
No, my father is dead. And he confessed to all his evil deeds before passing on.
He deserved it. Now that my mission in this palace is complete, I have to go.
I don't understand. Go where?
Son, there are a lot of things that you do not know, but I will tell you. Igwe Azoka is not your biological father.
What are you talking about? What do you mean Igwe Azoka is not my father?
I'll make you understand.
Who are you?
I am your mother. In the form of another woman. Just to look after you and end the reign of Igwe Azoka.
That is why Norma never allowed me to go intimate with her. She's been my mother all this while.
Yes, son. But I have prepared a wonderful woman for you to call a wife. Soon, she will cross your path.
All that aside, make me understand, what do you mean Igwe Azoka is not my father?
I left that evil man the moment he took the crown with force. I stayed away for a year where I met another man. A sweet, loving and kind man. He got me pregnant, but died tragically even before you were born. Igwe Azuka took you away from me the moment he murdered me. He raised you as a son because he knew he could no longer father a child. He sacrificed his manhood alongside the 7 girls, all in the quest for power. I found out months after I left him from a spiritualist. But I'm glad the truth has unveiled. Ugo, you have grown to be compassionate and kind. I'm proud of you, my son. My time is up. I have to go now.
Please, do not go. I need you to explain to me what is happening. I need to know what is happening. Please, stay a little bit longer.
I wish I could. But my mission here is complete. I need to rest. You will be fine. You are in safe hands. I believe in you. And I'm proud of you. Goodbye, son.
Young prince, congratulations on your coronation as a king of Azura Kingdom.
Thank you very much, Naka.
Our kingdoms will now live in peace and harmony as one ally.
You can say that again.
This call for celebration.
Oh yes, oh yes. We shall celebrate.
Of course. Of course.
You got Naka.
Cheers.
Ibwe, he sent for me and Echi.
I just had the weirdest dream, and I could not help it but invite both of you.
Hey, yeah, sorry, we know the interpret dream.
My late mother came to me.
Oh, child.
And she told me of how brave and steadfast you both were.
Oh, child.
Kudos to her. My regards.
To spirit, the person will not die. Now you give your regard.
You literally brought down the king and his tyranny. And for that I am grateful.
Thank you, sir. About your mother is still in also. Not easy to do those kinds of aspects.
Yes.
To call live or something.
I understand you are not from this kingdom. Yes. But that wasn't a hindrance to you both. My mother is no longer here to reward you, but I will.
Anyhow, just any amount you give us is okay.
Henceforth, I appoint you special advisors to the palace of Azura Kingdom.
Special advice, good advice.
Go! Special advisor. What make you come up for here? You know who the advice. You dance.
Advisor.
You say special. Who tell you say that you want advice? We don't advise ourselves. Who will advise another person? Advice are normal way.
So we'll be advising you.
Yes. Everything about you in this palace has gone up. Your profile is up automatically. You will be staying in a chamber close to mine. And no longer the maiden's quarters.
Chai, Igwe. So we will stay in a room close to you. Igwe, I go to sleep for your room, I think.
No, not what I mean. Anyways, that's the least.
Your wife no spoil this thing for me.
You say we go be special advisor. You go be advisor my woman when you
that's why they say no spoiler for me. I no swear for your future.
Until you advise yourself. You go be a special advisor. I am not to change this woman out of this palace, please.
You with your ego. I'm available.
Who is available?
If you're looking for a wife, I
Sir,
package.
as the special advisor, they come with money. How many plot of land?
Yes, it will come with money, but we'll discuss that.
Come more for them, no be money. They talk about man. Igwe.
This work you give us is bringing disrespect to you.
Which disrespect?
Because this one is not coming close to you and it's not good.
Both of you should calm down.
If when they go inside your room and they come, I'll come with you. If when they go, leave me ma deal with this girl.
I advise you to check this room out.
I advise you to go your room and I'll come with you, yeah? I'll come with you. Even I mean, just they go prepare bed.
Strikes. When you speak, the glance to steal. Your word was rain upon the land, but power drank deep in your chamber. The marketplace whispers your name, not in honor, but in dread. The lives you are meant to keep, you destroy the bleeding crown that no one could see. You cannot hide this no more. No hiding place for your darkness. The beats like a warning in the night. The streets once filled with songs of harvest, now empty on the watch for fright. Oh, a crown is not for crushing them.